short-term course on interactive teaching and blended learning. Whatever we do, we wish God has his last word. It is sheer grace of God that we survive, and we are all called for a noble cause of nurturing our students. May we plead for the Spirit of God as we give thanks to our Lord, followed by a prayer.
Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. Give thanks with a grateful heart. Give thanks to the Holy One. Give thanks because He's given Jesus Christ, His Son. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. And now let the weak say, I am strong. Let the poor say, I am rich because of what the Lord has done for us. Give
Most gracious Father, Almighty and everlasting Father, we thank and praise Thee for this wonderful day, for the choicest blessings You have bestowed upon us. We thank You, Lord, for the grace of life, for the gift, whatever You have given us all through these days. We beseech You to bless our parents, our teachers, our well-wishers, and all who are around us. Lord, we submit this day unto Your mighty hands. Fill us with Your Spirit, and thus with love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, generosity, and loyalty. May we all serve as instrument of Your peace. Fill the resource person today, Lord, with Your wisdom, and give us the grace to understand whatever he teaches us. We commit all the participants unto Your mighty hands. May Your Spirit guide us and guard us. And whatever we think, whatever we do, may Thy will be done in us. And may Your grace be guiding us all through. In Jesus' precious name we ask, Amen. Once again, a very warm welcome to you, Vimal sir. And we are eager, all the participants are eagerly waiting to know about the open shot and ice cream too. We welcome you all, and a very warm welcome to you, sir. Over to you for the session.
Thank you, madam. Professor, sorry for the delay because of the program that is going on Bishop River College. Respected principal, respected organizing team members from the Academy of Deanery of Academics, Dr. Shobha, Dr. Violet, Dr. Josephine, Dr. Anthony Raj, Dr. Shanti, and all the other organizing team members, and my dear esteemed participants. A very good evening to you all. How are you all? After a gap of a day, you are all meeting again. How are you all? I hope all of you are hale and hearty. I'm happy for you. Just we have started and it is in the 6th day we are. I'm really very glad and proud of you all because many of your assignment submissions amaze me a lot. In spite of your constraints, in spite of your workload in the academy, in the institution where we belong to, you were able to make your assignments in a beautiful and dedicated manner. I appreciate you all, dear professors. Dear professors, I shall take you for thank you for the compliments that you have given. Thank you, professors. I take you for the feedback on the other day. I suppose is my screen visible to you? Is my screen visible to you, dear professors?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please stop me if there is anything goes wrong in the network. Now, on the other day, that is in the previous day, that when we had class for the 5th day, we had got 508 the feedback. Out of 518, the score is really wonderful. I look at here, 261. 261, that is 50 plus percentage, have got 10 out of 10. That's something amazing. And 132 of you have got 8. And remaining are very less in number, very less in number. The score is really, making me happy. And coming down to the session, how was the session? It was 76. From the day 1 till here now, a lot of improvements. I'm happy, glad. Thank you very much for this. And now with the learning also, it has been increased. It is on the move of increase from 40% to 57, almost closer to 60. I'm happy for you. And your takeaways. Many of you have commented on screen capturing techniques, free cam, video making using screen capturing tools, GIF making, render forest, an exacting way of online teaching, and content creation, e-content using screen capturing. All these are some of fantastic information. All these are some of the takeaway from you. Now I would like to go on for the suggestions. As usually, there are no suggestions except only the compliments. Thank you so much. We are indebted to you for the compliments. Organizers and myself are indebted to you. Yeah. Only few have got only 2007 version, and it does not allow many options. Professors, I humbly request you, when you would like to go for e-content making, it is better we update our system. We update our configuration or we change our system. Whenever feasible, I'm not urging you, whenever feasible, please update your system and the tools. Thank you, dear professors. Now I am taking you for the question and answer. The first question, which of the following tool is used for screen capturing? Of course, both the answers are correct. Screencast-O-Matic and FreeCam are correct. But still, the best answer is both these. Both these are Screencast-O-Matic tools. So 84% of you have gone right. That is something great. And the maximum time duration, 456. Accepting 40 plus number. All of you have gone for this. So it is really a good number. And what is the first step of video making in render forest? Choosing the template. Many of you have gone right. Choosing the template is the right answer, and very few have gone wrong. And which of the following tool has no option to capture the webcam? Obviously, it is FreeCam. See, you have got FreeCam Pro also. FreeCam is different tool. FreeCam Pro is different. See, this FreeCam is a completely a free tool. Please understand. Another version is there, that is Pro. Pro you need to buy. But as this tool, this tool as such, it is completely free tool. All the options when you download and you can use it, there is no option there is no option prevented from using of the users from the user side. So the first one is correct. Some of you had come out with your apprehensions that FreeCam has Pro version. Yes, but this FreeCam tool that I have given you the link to download, it is completely free, and all the options in FreeCam can be used. You are not prevented to use any of the option because even this is completely free. Pro that has got only one extra advantage is that to capture the screen, and other some more advantages are there. But still, all the features with free cap can be used freely any longer. There is no watermark, no time limit. So you can use it freely, and free is the right answer. True is the right answer. False is the wrong answer. So some of 10% around 68 of you have gone wrong. Okay, it is a free tool. Now, dear professors, I will move on for today's presentation, the orientation. Then we shall go ahead. I will finish it very shortly. Dear professors, we are going to cover two tools today. We are going to cover two tools today. One is ice cream video editor, another one is OpenShot. These two tools are full-fledged video editors. See, today's session is going to be on video editing basics. I will let you know about the basics of video editing. I will also give you a demo on ice cream video editor, also a demo on OpenShot. The outcomes today, I expect you to all to understand the video editing techniques and video editing using ice cream video editor, OpenShot, and the absolute outcome that I expect is to make your own e-content, a full-fledged quality e-content on your own. What do you mean by video editing? All of us know, video editing techniques, and some of us may be new for video editing. So first, in video editing, you need to add the media files, video file, audio file, image file, text file. All these things you add into the editor. Okay, first step is to add the media, adding the media files. And the second step is to edit the media. You can cut, trim, you delete the portion. All these are known as editing the video. And thirdly, you add embellishment to the video. You add transition, you add effects into it. Transitions and effects to your video. Third step. And the fourth step is you will have to render the video. Final step is to render the video or export the video. Exporting or rendering. Exporting or rendering the video is the last. And this is about ice cream video editor. Ice cream video editor is a very, very simple video editor. Very simple video editor. See, we are going to use the free version. There is no watermark up to 10 minutes, I suppose, and 10 clips. It is a simple free video editor. It has also got pro version. Please understand, it has also got pro version. When you use within 10 minutes, there is no watermark. There is no watermark. And you have time limit as well as the clip limits. How many videos that you can upload or image that you can upload, edit is 10 clips. So if you are a beginner for video editing, you can very well use ice cream video editor to begin your video editing or to make your own video. This is a simple tool. That's why I just begin with ice cream video editor, then move on for OpenShot. OpenShot is a full-fledged video editor. I shall let you know about that later. And there is a simple video editing option. Other video editors has got multiple tracks. I will tell you about tracks, but this ice cream tool has got only one track. Okay, only one track is there to edit videos. I will let you know about it little later. Now, OpenShot. OpenShot is a completely free tool. Completely a free tool, a open tool. Here also, you need to import the media, edit the media, add filters and transitions, and finally, you'll be able to export the movie. So first step is to import the media. Import the media means the files, media files, video, audio, text, and so on. Edit the media if need be, then apply filters and transitions. Finally, you convert your movie or a film into the editing into a full-fledged movie. What are the features of this OpenShot video editor? So when we talk about the features as such, we have got, it is a completely a free tool, no time limit. You can use any number of clips and there is no time limit. Also, you have no watermark. No watermark is there imprinted, though it is a free tool. There is no time limit at all. But the ice cream video editor has time limit. And the output is a quality one. You get the quality output in full HD. Even beyond full HD also there are options. You can make beautiful and quality output using OpenShot. So today, dear professors, we will explore video editing techniques using these tools, Ice Cream and Video Editor, and finally I'll be showing you a demonstration how to make e-content using both the tools. The assignment for today is create an e-content comfortably in OpenShot. I will let you know how you should make your e-content today. That will be the today's assignment. You should put up a text. You should appear in screen and introduce yourself. Then the content, original content. Finally, the end note. That has to be there. Do you understand? The title of the e-content. You appear in screen and introduce. Thirdly, the main content. And finally, finish with the end note. That should be the e-content. As usually, convert the video, upload it in Google Drive, then submit it in Google Classroom. Okay, dear friends? Okay, fine. Now let me straight away move on for the demonstration. Professors, go on to Google. Please go on to Google and type Ice Cream Video Editor. Go on to Google, type Ice Cream Video Editor. Video Editor. This is not an online tool. Once install it. Now, dear professors, I have given Ice Cream Video Editor. The first link is this. Look at here. Ice Cream Apps. Click that. Click that. And this is the video editor. You have to download. I shall give you in the chat. I have given it already. Now I have given in the chat also. So you can, those of you who have not downloaded, you can download it. And click for download, free download. You will be able to install that. Double click it, you will be able to install that. Okay, dear professors, may I know how many of you have installed? How many of you have installed? How many of you have installed and be ready? How many of you are ready for demo, hands-on demo? Yes, many of you are ready. Now I have to make it a little faster because I have to cover OpenShot also. Right, I am opening from my system. See, it is installed. It is not an internet is not needed. Internet is not needed, dear professors. I just choose Ice Cream Video Editor. Look at the Ice Cream Video Editor. I click here. Click Ice Cream Video Editor. Open. Open. Ice Cream Video Editor. Open. See, I've got some files. I just delete it. I want to go for new one. I want to do for you. It will be like this. For you, it will be like this. How many of you have got this? How many of you have got this frame? Please open Ice Cream Video Editor. How many of you have got this one? Yes. Thank you. Thank you, professors. Thank you. So kind of you. Thank you. Now look at here, dear professors. I shall explain you about the environment. I shall explore you the environment. Just get to know this. Now, dear professors, this is called Media Library. This is called Media Library. Media Library is the place where we import and keep it for editing later. Not editing is not done here. Please understand. We keep all the files, video files, audio files, music files, and text files. All these are kept here. So it is called Media Library. Okay, professors, to store or to accommodate media files. To store or to accommodate media files. Am I clear, dear professors? To store or to accommodate media files. Okay. And this is the timeline. In every video editor, please understand, in every video editor, timeline is very, very important. Only in timeline, we will be able to edit the videos. Only in timeline, we will be able to edit the videos. Okay, professor. So timeline becomes very important place. In timeline, we have got different tracks. But in Ice Cream Video Editor, we have got only one track. There is only one track is here. Look at here. There is only one. That's why I told you it is a simple video editor. It's not a full-fledged video editor. It's a simple video editor. So only one track is available. And this is preview window or window preview. Okay, video preview. Video preview or preview window. Okay, this is where we see all the imported items here. or the worked item or edited ones here. Edited content could be seen here as preview. This is window preview or preview window, right? Now, how do I bring my files, media files? I shall start, click this plus symbol. Look at your add files. You have a yellow color button here. Click this plus symbol with the label add files. Do you have it? Do you have this, dear professors? Click that. Are you doing it? Just click it here and import the files that you want. For example, I would like to bring the files. Look at here, I just go to desktop and bring some videos. For example, I just got some videos in day 5. Look at a screen capturing video. I've got this, free cam video. And I've brought 4 videos. Look at here, I've got 4 videos there. See, 4 videos. And I'd like to bring some images. I click here and bring some image files. See here, I go to day 6 and bring some image files, and this also. I've got this. Okay, I've got 2 file and 1 video file. I want to have a music file. Add file and go over to music, wherever music is available. You can click and bring the music as you like. So I have brought the music file also. Professors, I have brought some video files. I have brought some music files. I have brought some image files. Do you understand now how to bring the files, import the files? Click this plus symbol. You will be able to import any media files, image, video or audio. Have you got it, dear professors? Have you understood? If you have understood, press 2. If you have understood till this, importing the media, press 2. If you have any clarification, you can give. If you have any clarification, you're welcome to make it. Thank you. Thank you, professors. Thank you. I don't see any clarification, so I shall move ahead. Thank you. Now, what do? I shall explain you step by step. Look at here, I'm bringing an image file. Professors, carefully note it. I'm bringing an image file. Look at here, this is an image file. See, this is an image file. I click and drag. Click and drag. Look at here, I click and drag, place it in the timeline. Look at here, I'm placing it in the timeline. See, I've got it. Once again, dear professors, for example, look at here, click this, drag and place it in the timeline. See, I have placed it in the timeline. Okay, dear professors, I have placed this in the timeline. Have you got it? This is how you bring it in the timeline. Now look at here, this picture has got at the bottom a small frame line. Small frame line. Click that. See here, this is the one. Click that and you've got different options. See, black bars. Click that black bars. On the top and bottom, you have black color bar. Black color bar. And click again, you've got blurred bars. See, blurred bars available both on the top and bottom. Blurred bars. And you can go no bars. No bar means, see, it is fitting to the entire content. Fitting. And click here and go for custom crop. You can fix it as you like. Look at here. You can choose the size as you like. For example, I want only the building. Look at here. I want only the building. Look at here. I got it. So this is custom crop. Look at here, dear professors. I just click at the bottom. You have different options. Black bars, blurred bars, no bar and custom crop. Have you all understood, dear professors? Have you all understood, dear professors? Have you all understood? Press 1. Have you all understood, dear professors, the first one, how to just make the picture different? Yeah. Now what do? I'm going to make correction over it. Please understand, I'm going to make correction over it. I just click this one, go to general. Go to the first option, general. Go to the first option, general. And here, I can increase the brightness of the picture. Look at here. I increase the brightness. Are you able to see it? The brightness is increased. Okay, this increases the brightness. See, the brightness is decreased. See, I can increase the brightness. And contrast, look at here. I increase the contrast, I decrease the contrast. Increase or decrease. And saturation. Saturation means reducing. See here. See the color. Increase the color thickness. And when you take it down, the color is a little dull. This is saturation. Hue means, see, it changes different colors. Look at here. I change it and you get different colors. Look at here. Any video clip that could be made a different color, video or image clip. Look at here. Are you able to see it? So these are all some of the changes that you could do. Brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue. Hue that changes the color. Hue that changes the color of the presentation. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? Have you understood, dear professors? Have you understood the parameters under general? Have you understood the parameters under general, dear professors? Now you also have option to rotate it. See, you can have rotation. Look at here. Look at here, professors. I can rotate this. See, I can rotate upside down or left and right. See, also you can flip it. Flip horizontally. See, this can be flipped horizontally. Flip the image. Or this looks, see here, vertically. Flips upside down. If you like all these changes, press done. See, if you have all these changes you have made, no? If you like it, if you want it, press done. Otherwise, click reset to default. Click reset to default. See, old one comes. I press done and come back. Okay, dear professors, have you understood general? Now, next one, I am going for duration. See, it's available only for pictures, not the videos. Because videos, we have got fixed duration. But picture alone, I can increase it or decrease it. I can increase the duration or decrease the duration. Now, select the duration. See, it can be available for 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. I want to have 2 second. Look at here, 5 second or 3 second. See, I just wanted to have it for 5 seconds, only for 5 seconds. Okay, dear professors. So you can fix the duration. And if you want to pick more duration, look at here, you can fix any, it is in seconds. It is in seconds. So give 100, 10, 8, something like that. Okay, dear professors, it is in second. Okay, have you understood the general? Sorry, duration. Have you understood the duration, dear professors? Professors, have you understood the duration? Press 1 if you have understood. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Great of you all. Now what do? I just click motion. I'm going for animation. I'm going for animation, dear professors. I click motion. See, there are fixed only 14 animations are here. For example, I click move left. Look at here what happens when I play this. See, it moves to the left side. It moves to the left side. And click here and go for some other animation. Look at here, move up. Look at here how it goes. See, from the top it comes. Okay. Now you can also choose something else. Click motion and choose zoom in center. Zoom in center or zoom out center. See, when I click here, see, zoom out. From outside it comes in. Zoom out center. Like this, you've got so many options available. Look at here. These are all variety of animation that can be given. Of course, limited. Only 10 or 15, 10 or 12 is here. It is limited. Okay, dear professors, have you understood motion? Professors, have you understood motion? Animation? Professors, have you understood motion? Animation? Professors, yes, thank you. Now I go for crop. I go for crop. Look at your process. I go for crop. I click here, click the crop. Scale to fit means everything is fit. Whatever picture that is fitting the frame. Even if it is small picture, that will fit into the frame. That's what we call by scale to fit. Now I'm going to crop. Click this crop. Click this crop and you can change. See here. I can change it to only this. Okay, dear professors, okay? See, I can change this and crop as you like. If you want it, you just keep done. Otherwise, just scale to fit. Click scale to fit. I click scale to fit and press done. This is crop, professor, crop. Choosing a particular portion from the image. Image, right? I go for text. Look at here, I go for text. See, when I click here, I can apply text here. Look at here. I can apply a text. For example, on this picture, I can apply text on this picture. For example, I choose the text. I've chosen this and type BHC welcomes you. Look at here. BHC welcomes you. Okay, you got BHC welcomes you. Look at here. Now the color is not that visible. Look at your process. The color is not that visible. I'm going for this. Look at your BHC welcomes you. Get it? I want to reduce the text. Look at your size can be reduced. Look at here. The size can be reduced. See, are you able to get it? And where do you want to fix it? You want on the top. Look at here. Center top. See, it is on the top. Bottom. Look at here. It comes on the bottom. Okay, dear professors. Have you understood text? So you can choose any text as you like. Look at here. See this. See this text. See this. These are all variety of text. Look at here. These are all variety of text model available. Okay, dear professors. Color is not for see. Each text has got its own color. Each text has got its own preset color. Only that can be used. Look at here. When it changes, no. Each design of text can, you cannot change it, professor. It is fixed. It is fixed. Look at here. It's fixed. See. See, these are all some of the colors. So on selecting each text, it appears automatically. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? So I'd like to go for this. See. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? So this is how you apply text on a picture, on a video. Have you understood, dear professors? Professors, have you understood? Have you understood? If you have any clarification with text, so when I press done, it appears on the text. Look at there. The text also comes. Look at here. The text is there. Okay, professors. Now finally, filters. Look at your filters. When I click here, there are a lot of filters available. I want to make it black and white. Look at here. When I select this, this becomes black and white like. See here, this one. I just choose telescope blur. See, as if it is blurred like telescope, right? You also have fish eye. Look at your fish eye. See, these are all various filters like old movie. Look at here. It is like old movie. See, these are all variety of options. When I don't want all these, click reset. When I click reset, it comes back to the original old one. Okay, dear professors. See here. I don't want all these. So I go back to reset. See here, reset option is here. Click reset, you will get back to the original one, original picture. Have you understood, dear professors? This is filter. These are all some of the limited filters. Have you got it, dear professors? Have you understood? Professors, have you understood? Thank you. Thank you. If you have any clarification, you can ask. You can ask duration, motion, crop, text filters. Very limited. All of you can easily do it. I couldn't bring the editing option in the bottom of image. Sir, if it is full, see, for example, very good, sir. See, sir, Professor Senthil, if your image is full, if your image is fitting, that option will not be done. You are done with offline. Yes, Professor, it can be done offline. So if the image is fit, it will not have that option. The image is fit, that option will not be there. There is no option for motion. Yes, it is here, no. Only when you select it, you will get it. Only when you select it, you get it, dear professor. Look at here. I just go for media file. Look at here. I go for media file. When I select only, then it is available. Look at here. Only when I select here, motion is available. Okay, sir. See, it has to be selected in yellow. See, selection is available only with yellow color. Professor Prabha, Professor Piba, have you understood? Professor Piba? Okay, yeah. See, now it is available. Look at there. See, when I don't select it, it is not available. When I select the picture, it is available. It is not with video files. Okay. Right. I go for the other one, other texts. Now look at here. I would like to take another picture. I go to add file. Go to the second day of desktop, Bishop Iba College, and choose from the second day. Look at here, the second day. I have this picture. I bring it down. Okay. Now I have this at the bottom because it is not fit into the size. It is not fit into the size. I click here and click blurred bar. Look at here. I click blurred bar. Okay. Now what do I do? There is a plus symbol here. Look at here, there is a plus symbol here. See, from one clip to the other clip, you can apply transition. You can apply a transition. One clip to the other clip. So click this plus symbol and you have different transition. Look at here, page turn. When I click here and run this from the beginning. See, when I go at the end of this clip, see it's transited. Okay, there is a transition. Did you notice that? There is a transition. Did you notice that? Now I would like to take up another image. See, I go to add file and take up another image. Look at there. So I have taken another image. Now between these two clips, there is a plus symbol. Click that plus symbol and you can add. Look at here, click here and you can add. See, look at here, I've given another animation. You can even check here. See, check the animation here itself. Click here and you can check. See. Have you understood? Have you understood your process? So it is applied between the clips. The transition is applied between the clips. And you can also make it more, make it animated. You can make animated. And you click here, click motion, click any of this clip, click motion, and you can animate it. Okay, now look at the run from, look at the slide. Transition. Now slowly it moves and it goes. Look at the picture moves on. Okay, dear professors, have you all understood process? Have you all understood up to this? You know, giving transition between the clips. Professors, have you all understood giving transition between the clips? Have you understood, dear professors? Thank you. Thank you, dear professors. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Now, what do? I'm going to tell you how to work with videos. Okay, video editing. Right? Let me just tell you. This time I'm bringing a video clip. Look at here. I'm bringing a video clip. I'm bringing here. This is a video clip actually. This is a video clip. Okay. The video clip is also not fitting the background. Now, before fitting the background, now what should I do? See, look at there. Look at there on the top. My project is here and the aspect ratio is here. What is the best aspect ratio for e-content? Please tell me what is the best aspect ratio for e-content. Can you tell me what is the best aspect ratio for e-content in the chat? Yes, it is 16:9. Click here, you have option 16:9 also. Look at here, 16:9. See, when I click here on the top, look at here, my project is there and click 4:4:3 and there is 16:9. Click that and it will fit exactly. Look at here, it fits exactly. Okay, dear professors. It fits exactly. Okay, process. Now the bottom, that small box won't be there. Even in video clip or media clip, it won't be there. If it is not fitting, then you will have that problem. Okay, the small window will be there. Either you can keep the blurred border or black color bar, both the side. Now look at there, I go to general. Again, you have the brightness, saturation, everything is here. Additionally, you have got speed also. Look at here. I just make it little faster. Now look at, listen to the video.
Greetings to you all. I am Devimal Durall from Deanery of Academics, Mr. Viva College, giving you a demonstration on screen capturing techniques and
get it?
tools.
Do you get the difference?
Today's session covers about the basics of screen capturing, demo on screen capture and pre-cap. The outcomes that are expected are given here in the screen. What do you mean by screen capturing? Screen capturing is to capture the screen, the desktop.
Along with got it, dear professors? Have you understood? See here in general, under general, when I click the video clip, there is an option called speed. You can increase the speed or decrease the speed. See, I decrease the speed. I decrease the speed. Now see what happens. See what happens. Yeah. Your mouse is also highlighted. Okay, dear professors. It is best for demonstration. Professors, have you got it? I couldn't have your response. Do you understand this? I don't have your response. Have you understood, dear professors, the speed of the clip? You can adjust the speed of the clip. You can make it faster or smaller. See, I just make it a little more faster. Now listen here. Listen to this. Listen to this voice. Let us see how it looks like.
How do you make screen capturing? We should capture the screen. Be ready with the content before you capture the screen. Capture the screen along with the narration. Thirdly, if you could edit in a simple manner, you can edit. And finally, create your content. So all the very best making your e-content. Thank you very much. So I've completed my demo. I've completed my narration. So what should I do? I have to press the pause button.
I got it.
See?
Please look at here. I have selected this video clip. Professor, please here. Professor Susan, please look at here. I have selected this video clip and go on the top. Speed is here. You can adjust the speed. You can increase the speed, means you will have faster. See, the video will run very fast. Look at here.
Greetings to you all. I am David Majorol from Dean of Academics College, giving you a demonstration on screen capturing techniques and tools.
Have you got it?
Today's session covers about the basics of screen capturing, demo on screen capturing, and recap.
Now I want to reduce the speed. Look at here. I am reducing the speed. When I reduce the speed, what happens?
Are given here in the screen.
See, very slow it is. It's very slow.
What do you mean by screen capturing? Screen capturing is to capture the screen, the desktop.
Professor, Professor Sujata, see, it is a video, Professor. It is a video. See, the screen capture video, no, Professor Sujata. It is a screen capture video we have done yesterday. Okay, last class. It is not photograph. Actually, I am speaking here. It is a video done. Okay, it is a video, not photo. It is a video. It is there available in the clip itself. Now look at here. Color can be chosen. See the color, hue saturation. When I increase it, see, look at here. The color has been changed. Look at that. Look at here. The video color changes. Okay, dear professor, the video color changes. Hue option. Okay, I can make it brighter. Look at here. I can make it brighter. The video clip can be made brighter. Contrast can be increased. Saturation can be increased. Look at here. The colorful. It can be made colorful. And you can increase the speed or decrease the speed. You can also reverse the clip. See, from the back it can come. Reverse also can be done. Look at here. I can reverse the clip. When I click reverse, see what happens. See, it goes for reversing. It goes for reverse. Reversing means from the back it will come. From the back it will come. Okay, dear professors. Look at here after listening. It will come from the back. From the end to the first. Look at there. It will be very funny. See, I'm making it faster. Getting it? It is reversed. So what do? I don't want all these things because I have spoiled the video. So what should I do? Just click here, reset to default. Click reset to default. Reset to default. Click here and you can get it. Sir, is there any time limit? Yeah, limit is there, dear professor. You can bring up to 10 clip to the maximum of 10 minutes, I suppose. You can work on it. 10 minutes, yeah. And the size also matters a lot. If it goes beyond 10 minutes, then they will ask you to go for pro version. Now I don't want it. I press done. That is with general. And click audio. Professors, click audio. See, click the audio. Look at here the video clip. It is available only for the video, not the image. This is available, audio available only for the video, not the image file. Look at here audio. I click the audio and I can increase the volume. Look at here, I can increase the volume. Now look, listen here. Listen to the volume.
Greetings to you
Do you
all.
understand?
I am A. Vimal Jaral from Deanery of Academics, Mr. Biba College.
Increase the volume of a particular clip. Select that clip and increase the volume. Okay, have you got it? Increase the volume. Then you will be able to see.
Giving you a demonstration on
It increases. Fade in means, for example, you start smoothly and end smoothly. That's what we call by fade in. How many seconds you want to have fade in? See here. I want to have fade in for just for few seconds. Now see, it's
screen capturing
smoothly
techniques
starts and smoothly ends. See, that is what we call by
greetings to you all. I am A. Vimal Jaral.
See, I just stop here. Fade in means smoothly begins and smoothly ends. It is good for only for audio, musics, not for narrations. Okay, don't use fade in and fade out for voice. Okay, it will be good for audio. Audio will start smoothly and end smoothly. Okay, right. I'm not using it. And audio effect. See, now you listen to my voice, how it's
Deanery of Academics, Bisabiba College.
it is very clear. Now I can apply audio effect as if it is echo. See, audio echo. I'm applying echo option. Now see, listen here.
Giving you a demonstration on screen capturing techniques and
Have you got
tools.
See the echo. Have you understood the echo?
Today's session covers about the basics of screen capturing, demo on screen
Have you got it,
capturing,
dear
and
professors? Have you understood the audio effect? The same can be made as, for example, robot voice. Look at here. I just click the robot voice, and you will be able to listen to robotic voice.
Yeah. The outcomes that are expected.
Are you able to get it? It is very mild. It is very mild. Are you getting it, professors?
Screen capturing
Professors, are you getting the voice?
is to capture the screen, the desktop, along with your narrations.
See, like robot. I can also change. Look at here. Chipmunk. See here.
It is best for
It is like,
demonstrations. How do you make screen capturing? We should capture the screen. Be ready with the content before you capture the screen. Capture the screen along with the narration. Thirdly, if you could edit in a simple manner, you can edit. And finally, create your content.
okay, dear professors, have you got it? See this was chipmunk. Okay, you also have option for chorus. See chorus. I just use this.
your content. So all the very best making your e-content. Thank you very much.
Chorus. Okay, you can use anything as you like. Otherwise, if you don't like, no effect. Click no effect. Okay, dear professors, and reset to default. I want the original one. Or press done. Okay, done. Now go for trim. Look at your trim. You know how trim is working. Please click here, trim. Click trim, and you get this stage. This is called a stage. Okay, now what do? I just click this yellow color knob. You can trim only from the front or at the back. Okay, you can trim at the front or at the back. Look at here. I just click here and look at here. You cannot adjust the echo, professor. You cannot adjust. I'm sorry. See, click here, click adjust, and at the end also, look at here. At the end also, I click the yellow color knob. Look at here, and the time goes. See. So when you press done, only the selected portion is available in the track. Okay, only selected portion is available in the track. That's what Professor Vadivel. Look at there. I'm adjusting. No. When you adjust, both are removed. See, this part is removed. This part is removed and this part is removed. When I click done, look at there. See, straight away it starts from this. Straight away the video starts from this. Look at there. I have trimmed,
Techniques and tools.
See, I started hello, Bisabiba College and all that. That was not there because it was cut. Once again, let me make it. Go to trim. Look at here. Go to trim and see here. I can extend this or you can cut this. Look at here, I'm cutting this. Only from here I want. So I just keep it here and I just cut from the end also. Look at here. I want to stop with this. Okay. I want to stop with this. Okay, dear professors. Now press done. Look at there. The clip is edited up to this. Look at there. In between, you cannot delete process. In between, you cannot delete.
Covers about the basics of screen capture.
In between, you cannot delete. For that only, you can delete little bit, and you can take it. Okay. For if you want to delete something, just bring it till here. Look at here. I go to trim. You want to delete till this. You can delete it. See, you can bring it. You can adjust this and bring it so that this portion is removed. And this portion is removed and center around you can get. Okay. You can cut it like this and one by one you can bring it. Yeah. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? And finally, if you like, you can go for it. Otherwise, press escape. Okay. See a clear timeline. You can get it. And now go to the crop option. Click crop. See, the crop option is to crop the video. For example, I want to crop one video. For example, look at here. I just select and delete this. I select and delete. I want to add another video. Look at here. Add video is here. Add file is here. I want to bring an audio file. Sorry, video file. Okay, process. Look at there. I'm getting an video file. This is about Bishop Weaver College. Look at there. Anna Government College welcomes you on National Workshop. See, I got this. I don't want this, watermark. So I want only this portion. Shall I crop it? Yes, I can crop. Click here. Click this crop. Click this crop. Professor, there are a lot of queries. UCut is also one app. Is there any Android version? Professor, there are a lot of Android applications are there. See, one of the very best application is KineMaster. KineMaster, right? Yeah, Professor Shakti Meena, I will help you at the end. Okay. Now go to clip, crop. Click crop. Select the crop option. And look at there, I can crop it wherever I want. I can crop this side. See, I have removed the watermark. I can click. See, I can choose any portion and you can select it. Now press done. Now look at there. Look at your process. Anna Government College welcomes you on National Workshop. Okay, dear professor, the watermark is cropped. Have you understood, professors? Professors, have you understood? Have you understood, dear professors? Once again, okay, let me make it. Look at your professor. Look at here. I've done this. See, I have got this, selected this, select crop and go to crop option and just bring the adjust this. Look at here, adjust this. You can adjust this, adjust the corners. Adjust the corners, you will get it. So I don't want this watermark, so I have brought this still here. Okay, you can adjust and you'll be able to get it. See? Okay, dear professors, and click done. See, now I play this. Have you understood, professors? Have you now understood, professor? One of the professor wanted to have a see here. Anna Government College welcomes you on National Workshop. Okay. Okay, dear professors. Have you got it, dear professors? Have you got it, everyone? Is there any clarification with crop? And now I'm going to tell you the text option. See, when I click the text option, the text falls on this image. I click the text and I can see, select here and choose the position. Where do you want? See, I just select Bishop Heba College. Now I can select wherever I want. I want to keep it on the top means top, bottom means bottom. If you want center means center. See, I can choose even this corner, this center, and you can choose different colors. Look at here, different styles. See, I can also keep it at the bottom. Look at here. These are all variety of styles available. Look at there. Look at here. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? Now look at there. Government College welcomes you on National Workshop. Got it, dear professors? Whatever you apply, the position is here. See, the disadvantage is that you have no colors. You have no color choose. You have no option to choose the colors here. So you can use as it is. Okay, dear professors? There are predefined text models. You just click and use it. That's all. You can increase the text size. See, if you want to increase the text size, you can increase the text size here. You can increase the text size. Look at here, I am increasing the text size. If you want to reduce it, reduce the text size. Okay, dear professors? You can also increase the speed of the text. See here, now I just welcomes you on National. It also disappears. That's what we call by speed. It goes, it hides. Okay. And now have you understood, dear professors? Have you understood, dear professors? Now I can go for filter, and these are all some of the filters. For example, make this as a non-color. Look at here. Look at the color now. Look at the key. I just apply another color. Look at here, this color. And look at this. See. So you can apply this color and make it black and white, or some of the models are here. You can apply it. For example, you don't want to highlight this. You see here there is an option called fish eye. Look at your fish eye. Look at here. It is like fish eye. The view of fish eye.
Anna Government College welcomes you on National Workshop
Like a fish eye. See, these are all some of the options. If you want to dull it, see, if you want to shade it, see, look at here, see. For example, if you are talking about some victims, if you are talking about a woman child, child, see, you can use this pixelate. So all these are some of the options are filters. If you don't want reset to default, so it fits back. Okay, dear professors, have you understood all the options? These are all the options. That's all. These are all the options available in Ice Cream Video Editor. Have you all got it, dear professors? Have you all understood? Now let me tell you how to make an e-content using this. Now please carefully note it, dear professors. I'm deleting this. How do you delete this? Just press and delete. That's enough. Press and delete. Press and delete. Now what do? I have to press maybe a college logo. I want to have a college logo at the beginning. I want to have the college logo and start with the title. Look at here. I just add the college logo. Click here. Add file. I go to Bishop Weber College and find out the logo. See, I have the logo here. How to bring it here? How to bring it down? Please tell me, how do you bring it down? How do you bring this logo down? Can anyone tell me in the chat? How do you bring this down? Drag, yes, drag and put it here. Yes, I've done it. Now I've done it. It is fitting here. So can I make a letter at the bottom? Bishop Weber College. Yes. Can I make a text here? How do I make text? Click here. Click this text. Click this text. Look at here. Click this text. And I just would like to go for Bishop Weber College. Bishop Weber College. Okay. Right. I put it. Bishop Weber College. Make it small. Make it a little more smaller. Look at here. I've just decreased the size. And go for some other model also. Look at here. Go for some other model. Okay. I'm going for some other model. Increase the size. See. Okay, dear professors. I can go for some other model and increase. Okay. Now I've got it. Now, how do I animate it? Now carefully listen here, professors. How do I animate it? How do I animate it? What is the option to animate this? Can you tell me what is the option to animate this? Can you tell me what is the option to animate this? Yeah, motion. Click here and apply any of the motion. Zoom in center. So I'm choosing zoom in center. The first clip is ready. Look at here. The first clip is ready. Look at here. Slowly it zooms. The first clip is ready. See, it comes. Okay, dear professors. Now the second one is the title of the e-content. Title alone. I want to have the title alone. How do I bring the title alone? Click add color. Add color is here on the top. You have add color. Professors, carefully note it. I just click add color and choose any of these colors. Shall I choose this color or this combination or this combination? You can choose any of these combination and click add. See, it is here. Color is here. Just click and drag the color here. Okay. I have dropped the color here. Now I want to add the title for my e-content. How do I add the title? From here, what should I click? From here, what should I click? From here, what should I click? Yeah, text. Click the text and apply. For example, demonstration on screen capturing. Okay. Now, where should I put it actually exactly? Where should I place this exactly? At the bottom or center? What is the position will be better? Look at the position, center. So I just click here and choose some other. See here, there are simple various models are here. I can choose the letter C. I can decrease the size and it comes in a second. See. Okay, dear professors. So I have done it. I like this. I like this. I'm okay with it. So I've done it. Now next one is I click done. Click done. And next one I add my picture. Okay. Add the picture of mine. I just click add file. I have my picture in the desktop. Yeah, I'm taking up my picture and dragging here. I just put it here. Okay. Now I want to have my title at the bottom. My title. So how should I add the text? I click text here and type here. Type your name. From where should it be? From where should it be? So where should the text positioned? Where should the text be positioned? Professor, tell me, where should the text? Right corner. No, at the bottom. Look at here. I click at the bottom, so it comes at the bottom. The text comes at the bottom. Perfectly fits. Okay, if you want to make it little more bigger, you can adjust this. See, you can adjust this and make it little more bigger, or smaller means you can adjust this. See, make it small. Okay, process. I've done it. Now I want to have animation for this. How do I click animation? The motion is here. Click here and you give animation. See, I have given animation. Now, dear professors, next thing, I appear in video and start introducing the content. Start introducing the content. Yeah, you can flip the image, professor. You can flip. Yes. You can rotate it. No, so look at here. Look at here. Go to general. Go to general. Look at here. I'm just flipping the image. Look at here. Have you understood? Go to general and flipping image can be done. Professor Yashita, have you understood? Flipping is here under general. Have you understood, professor? Yeah. Now I've done it. I've done it. Now I want to add my video introducing. Introducing, right? I go to add file and bring my video file. I've got the video file introducing. See, look at here. This is about introducing. Okay, introductory video. Right. I just open that and bring it here. See, I just bring it here. Bring that introductory video. Then the final content. Please understand. Then the final content. We add one more text as a in same frame. No. Only one frame. Only one frame. Only one. Now I would like to add the main frame. Main one. Time duration, you can go, professor, up to 10 minutes. More than that, you will have to pay. Okay, more than that, your watermark will appear. Now the main content. The main content is, look at here, I'm just bringing this content and keeping it here. Imagine that this is not the correct content, but bringing it here. Please understand, first one, I have the logo. Second one, introduction of the title. And the third one about my photograph. Fourth one, introduction, appearing in the screen and introduce. And the original content. And finally, a text. Okay. With the watermark, what is the maximum duration? I think you can go as long as possible. See, without, for example, Professor Vadivel, please understand, without watermark, it will be this, lesser time. It will produce watermark within 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, no watermark. More than 10 minutes, it will produce as watermarks. Okay, right. Now, what do? I just add end note here. How do I add end note? Just thanks alone. What is the option should I choose? Add color is here and choose any of these colors. Here I choose this color. Click add and it is here. Take this and place it here. Take this and place it here and go to text and appear text. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. Okay. I want to go for some other text. See. I want to keep it in the center. Okay, right. I want to keep this in the center. See, you get a lot of options. You can increase the size. Okay, professors, you can increase the size, press done, and you can also adjust. Now everything is over. After everything is over, you can also drag the audio file. Now look at there, the plus symbol is here. What can we do with the plus symbol? Can you tell me what can we do with the plus symbol? Can you tell me what can we do with the plus symbol? Quickly tell me what can we do with the plus symbol? Transitions. Not adding content. Transition. This plus symbol. Look at here. Between the clips. Transition. I click here. Apply random transition. Look at here. I'm applying random transitions. I click simply something. Some random transitions. See, I have clicked some random transitions. Okay, process, everything is done. I want to add music at the end. Look, just click this music, bring it down and place it here. Music. Look at here. Music at the bottom. There is only one track for music. One track for main and another track for music. That's all. Right? Click it and go for audio. Look at here. Audio is here. Click audio. You can increase or decrease it. See, I want to decrease this. Decrease the volume. I have decreased the volume. Okay, I have decreased the volume. See, it is very mild. It is very mild. Professors, look at here. I just click here and bring it. Adding music also the same way, Professor. Add file is here. You bring the music file also. That's all. The yellow button is here. You bring the music file. Okay. And from here, click and drag and put it here. Put it in the final track. See here at the bottom. See the purple color. Have you got it? Right. Everything is done. I've done everything. Now I want to increase the volume of this clip because I've added music. So it should increase. Where should I increase? The audio is here. Click audio and increase to 300. Look at here. I have increased to 300. So that, see, I have increased.
Hello everyone.
Okay.
I am
Now
A. Vimal from St. Joseph's College.
Also, I am increasing the volume for this. Go to audio, increase it to 200%. Look at here. I've increased it. Done. Now I want to convert this. Finally, everything is done. Editing is done. So what have I done? I have added logo of the college. I have added the title. How many audio clips? See, you can add for the clips that you have arranged. On the top, whatever clip that you have arranged, you can also add. You can adjust. For example, you click this and adjust. You can trim. You click this and adjust. Okay, you can go for trimming and click this and adjust. You can add any number of clips within this frame, fitting this frame. Okay. Now look at that. Finally, I have to convert this into video. Look at that. Export video. On the right corner, you have option export video. Look at that. Export video. Do you see that? Export video. Click that export video option. And finally, the e-content will be ready shortly. See, I just click. Give the name of the file. Give the name of the file. This one is ice cream one. Ice cream video. Okay. Where do you want to save it? I want to save this in Bishop Iba College folder. So search for that and select the folder. Click OK. Folder is selected. And what is the file format? MP4. By default, it is MP4. Don't change it. And resolution. See here, there are so many options again. Full HD, 4K. These are all quality one. For time being, I want to go for lesser resolution, so HD or HD plus. See, I go for HD plus. HD plus. And the quality, see, low, medium, high. I go for high. And finally, press export. Finally, press export. Okay, finally press export. Okay, professors, and click. Professor Reena, just drag. See here, I've gone in for expert. Right now, it is impossible to just explore that. But let me tell you, look at there. Just click here and drag. Okay. See, add file is here. Yellow button is here. Now click here and bring the music. Just like your audio file, video, image file. How did you bring the video file? When you click add files, you can bring any file, not only video file, not only image file. The audio file also can be brought. Okay, madam. Also, after bringing here to the media library, click and drag and put it at the bottom. See, it is here. Export is here. Look at there, sir. If you could keenly listen, on the right corner top, look at my mouse. On the top right corner, export video is here. Professor Annapurni, have you got it? Professor Annapurni, have you got it? Now, I am done with the ice cream video editing. Is there any clarification? It's a simple tool to go with. Okay, you can make it. Now, I shall move on for the next tool called OpenShot. I am moving on for next tool called OpenShot. Yeah, Professor Thakur, you see all these questions can, you can answer, find answer. It's very simple. Just drag it and place wherever you want. In between the files, it is what do you add in between the files? Transition. See, both you add transitions. Click and drag, sir. Click and drag. And if you're not able to upload means maybe the format problem is there. You select MP3 files. Yeah, you can also click loop. Loop means it will play continuously. The same music will play continuously until the end of the clip. For example, the video goes for 2 minutes, but the audio is for 1 minute. But when you give loop, it will continuously play. That's what we call by loop. Have you understood, Professor Mahamuni? Any other clarification? Whether the transition must? No. Not necessary. Not necessary. If you feel like you want transition, you can give. Otherwise, no need of transition. It's up to you. The creativity is up to you. I'm very sorry. I was disconnected for a while. I think. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm just playing the music once again. I'm playing the video that we have created. Look at there. Look at there, Professor. This is the video that we have done. Look at simple e-content. See, I have done the main content in PowerPoint. The title and my photograph and the introductory video. Hello everyone. I am A. Vimal Jaral from St. Joseph's College. Would like to give you a presentation on how to remove a background. Let us now have a look at the demonstration. Greetings to you all. I am A. Vimal Jaral. This should be avoided. Deanery of Academics, Mr. Beaver College, giving you a demonstration on screen capturing techniques. So the video goes, the screen, so the video goes, and finally look at completed. Press the pause button. Button is there at the bottom. That's all. This is how you must create a video. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? Have you got it, dear professors? Have you got it? Shall we move on for the next one? Shall we move on for the next, dear professors? Shall we move on for the next? Press 1. If you have no query, press 1. Quickly, we shall move on for the next. Yeah, thank you. Now, Ice Cream Video is a simple editor. I want all of you to make your videos with Ice Cream Video Editor. Let us see how far could not install. Yeah, professors, those of you are finding it difficult, let me clarify you later. Now, I cannot install you. Please, sorry. We can clarify it later for those who have technical difficulty, hardware problem. See, some of your systems are older means you cannot install. These are all little bit an advanced tool. It works only from Windows 8, not Windows 7. Sorry. Now, dear professors, I am switching over to the next tool called, what is the next tool? Can you tell me what is the next tool? Can you tell me what is the next tool? Could you please tell me, dear professors, what is the next tool? OBS. Yes. I go to OBS. Look at it. I go to Google. I go to Google and type OBS. Sorry, not OBS. OpenShot. 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 It is a completely free tool. Look at here. Award-winning free and open source tool. Free and open source. Click here. Click here. And there is a download option is here on the top. And download is also here. You can click and download. I have already sent. How many of you have downloaded and installed? How many of you have downloaded and installed? Press 1. If you have installed, press 1. If you have installed, press 1. Yes, many of you have installed. Very good. Very good. I'm happy for you. I'm happy. Now let me take up the clip. Look at here. I'm just going for OpenShot. See, I'm from the system. I'm opening it. I've got this OpenShot. It is opening up. Kindly hold for some time. It is getting ready. I'll open it up. Yeah. Now have you got it? Have you got it, dear professors? Open this and see. Open this. Open this. Open this window. Have you got it? If you have got it, press 2. If you get this kind of window, press 2. Have you got it? Yes, fine. Press open. Open it. Open it. Now let me quickly go through because I will have to stop on time. Now look at here on the top. Look at there, Professor. View is there. View. If you don't get like this view, go to view. Go to view menu. This is one of the simple tool, but full-fledged video editor. Very simple tool, but full-fledged video editor. Okay, Professor. Now I go to view and click views. You get simple view. You will get this. If you don't get this, you click this. Go to view. Look at here. Go to view, views, and simple view. You get this. Okay, dear professors. Now look at here. I shall explain it. This is what we call by project file place or media library. This is where we import all the files. Video, audio, images, all these are brought here. And this is called a preview window. Preview window. Preview window is the place which gives you the preview. Preview window is the place which gives you preview of the video that you edit. And what is this? Can you tell me what is this? What is this? I just click here and increase. See here, I'm just increasing. Look at there. I just click this place and increase. See, I can bring it down or take it on the top. What is this process? Timeline. This is the place. Yes, it's not track. See, track is this. But in general, it is called as timeline. Timeline is the place where you edit the video. Please understand. Timeline is the place where we edit the video. Okay. And each timeline, timeline has got how many tracks by default? Could you please tell me how many tracks that you have? Yeah. How many tracks that you have? By default, how many tracks that you have? Could you please tell me by default how many tracks? No, not 3. Just go. See, 5 tracks. 5 track. You can adjust here. Look at here. You can click this place and adjust. Look at here. See, I can increase. Now I can I add another track? Can I add another track? Yes, of course. Look at there. There is a plus symbol. Click and add another track. See, 6th track is added. 6th track is added. When you want to remove this track, how do you remove this track? Right click over here. Select the track, right click it, and see remove track is here. When I click, I can remove this track. Now you may wonder, why do we have tracks? In each track, one track you can have audio, another track you can have video, another track you can have another video, something like that. Do you understand, dear professors? You can have many videos over there, right? Videos, audio. That's why we have got many tracks. If you don't want a track, you can remove the track. Now let me tell you from the beginning. What is the first step of video editing? Could you please tell me what is the first step of video editing? Could you please tell me what is the first step of video editing? Can I have your answers, dear professors? Drag the file. No, adding media. Adding media. Import files or adding media. Yes. Adding, not select image. Adding media. Okay, or import media. Import media, add media. Both are right. Yes. Now look at here. How do I add media? Both the places. Here I have got the plus symbol and you go to file and you get import files. Professors, look at here. Go to import, file and import. Also, you can open the window. You can also drag, professor. Yes, that can also be done. You can open the gallery or the folder. From there, you can drag there. That's also possible. Yeah, copy paste also possible. Yes, you are right. You are right. See, go to file. Officially, formally doing this, you have to do this. Go to file, click import, and you can see the file opens. And from here, you can import all your files needed. Right now, I would like to import 2 of the files. Look at here. I go to BHE, Bishop Eva College folder. Yeah. From here, I would like to bring some of the files. So I just click this video, go to day 5 and click some screen capturing video. See, I've got some screen captured video. I've done it. Okay, I just brought this. I've got it. Okay, I've got. I want to have some pictures. Where do I go? Go to file. Import is here. The shortcut is Control F. Importing the file is shortcut is Control F. Please make note of it. Control F. Or look at your process. Or you can also click here. See the yellow color button or the green color button. See here. Are you able to see this? Click the green color button and you can also bring from the folder where you want. See, I just get this two videos. See, I've got videos. Now I want to have some pictures. How do I bring the pictures? Click here. I want to go to Bishop Iba College folder. And from there, I want to bring the picture of college. I just click the picture and the logo. Press OK, open. See, I've got the picture files. I want audio files. How do I bring the audio files? The same procedure. Click the plus symbol and go to the folder wherever you find audio. See, I have it in the downloads folder. See, I have some audio. See, I just get the audio and press open. So I've got an audio file. So audio file, image file, video file, everything I have got. Okay, dear professors. Now what do? I just bring the image of Bishop Iba College. Look at here. I just bring this image. I just keep it at the bottom. Look at here. It goes for very long, longer. Now what should I do? I want to keep it only for shorter distance. Now what should I do? See, look at this blue color bar. You can reduce this. When you reduce this, see, it increases. Okay, dear professors. Now I want to increase this. Look at here. When I increase it, see, I bring it here. I can adjust it. Look at here. I can adjust this. See, I can drag and adjust. I can drag and adjust. Okay, professors, I can drag and adjust and click here. Click here, it reduces. See? See here, professors. Okay. Now I go to this picture 1 minute. I just go make it small. Make it smaller. So make the clip smaller. Sorry, visible smaller. Not the actually you are not shrinking the file. You are making it visible with the visibility. So it should be. See, I just make it as little bit. See, it is gone for longer duration. I just reduce the size of it. Look at here, it goes. I can adjust here. It goes for 25 seconds. Oh my God, big. So I just now what do? I click here at the end and reduce the size. Look at here. I'm reducing. Once again, I can also reduce from the beginning. See, I can reduce from the beginning. Keep it, bring it, and click here, drag it, and reduce it. Drag it. See, I can reduce this. The picture is too lengthy here. Now look at there. I reduce it. I think it's a TIFF image. That's why you get lengthier. Now I'd like to bring the logo. Look at here. I'm bringing the logo. I bring the logo and keep it here. Now I can keep this logo for only for 5 minutes. Look at here. I want exactly for 5 minutes. What can I use? Look at here, professors. I can take up the scale. Look at here. Bring the scale and keep it here. Bring the scale and keep it here, and you can adjust now. So it fits exactly here. See, the scale helps me to fit it exactly. The scale fits it exactly, right? You can adjust the image, right? Professors, look at here. If you want for 10 minutes, you can adjust. Now, dear professors, quickly, I shall explain you. See, exploring all these options is not feasible within half an hour. But I shall let you know how to make an e-content. Okay, right. Now, the basic features, right click, and you have all these options. So you can copy this clip. See, Control C. When I can press Control C, I can get one more clip. Look at here, I press C, another clip has come. I get another clip. Okay, this is copy and paste. Control C and Control V. Look at here, I just select it and delete. Right click, copy and paste. Okay. You can also copy the effect also separately. If you have applied any effect can be copied and applied to next clip also. I will tell you later. Now fade. For example, fade means slowly it begins, slowly it ends. That's what we call by fade. Now you want the fade to begin starting of the clip, end of the clip, or the entire clip. I wanted to have the entire clip. I click here and go for entire clip. Fade in or fade out. So I click fade in. See what happens now. I just play the preview for you. 1 minute, dear professors. I just play the preview for you. Just check the preview. Look at here. Just move this and look at there. Look at there. Slowly it opens. Okay. And slowly it ends. See, mild. It fades. Once again, dear professors, I go at the right. fade, entire clip, fade in and fade out, entire clip, fade in, fade out. Okay, right? Fade in and out. In and out means starting and end. Starting and end. Okay, I just make it fast. Look at here. I just play from the beginning. Now look at here, professors. See, slowly it starts. Sorry, fast it starts and fast it ends. Look at the fade. See, it goes off. That's what we call by fade in, fade out. Have you understood, professors? Fade in, fade out option. Have you understood fade in, fade out? Quickly tell me. Have you understood fade in, fade out? Have you understood? Just quickly work on it. Work on it. When you have hands on, you will understand better. Once again, right click and go for animate. Next one is animation. Thank you, professors. Next one is I'm trying to animate this clip. I'm trying to animate this clip. Right click and go for animate. You want to animate the entire clip, start of the clip or end of the clip. You have various options. Now I want to have entire clip. Look at here, entire clip. See, I've got various options. See, zoom is here. Now I want this logo to come from 50 to 100. 50 to 100. Now I select this option. Look at here, right click, animate, entire clip. You can also animate start of the clip, end of the clip or entire clip. I have chosen entire clip and chosen zoom option, and look at there. Now I just play this. Look at there. How does it come? Slowly it appears. See, look at here. It comes from the center and disappears. This is what we call by fade in and fade out. And the animation also. Okay, professors. Have you understood how to give animations for a clip? Even for video clip is also same. Video clip is also same. Have you understood, professors? Professors, have you understood? Yeah. Now right click and go to rotate. So you can rotate the clip. You can rotate the clip. For example, I just make it rotate it 90. See what happens? What happens? See, the clip is rotated. See? Okay, professors, I press Control Z. This is for rotating. See, rotation is here. And layout. Next one is I go for layout. Where do you want to keep the file? See, layout. For example, if I want to have one more picture, then layout will be useful. I shall let you know about layout a little later. For example, right now, let me tell you. Now I want to keep it on the center. Center or bottom or top right. See, I can keep it at the bottom right. I click here, see, it goes to the bottom. Have you understood, professors? Once again, let me tell you, right click it and go to layout and select positions. See, this time right. See what happens now. It has been chosen to come from the right. 1 minute, let me tell you again. Right click, go to layout and change it. I want top right. See here. Okay, professors, it goes on the top. Have you got it? Have you understood, professors? Have you understood the layout, professors? Quarter portion. I want to have the quarter portion and keep it on the top. Do you understand now? Okay, right, fine. Now I just keep it in the old position, right click. And go for the next one, time. You want to make it faster, slower, and you also have another option called freeze and zoom. It will work out for videos, freeze and zoom. For example, a video is going on. Please understand, the video is going on. You want to stop the video and see, for example, some of the movies they show the wave, the water tide from the sea stops for a while, and the birds pass for a while, and the trees pass for a while. That's what we call by zoom. Sorry, freeze and zoom. Shall I do that for you? Look at there. Look at here. I just start here. Right click. See here. I just go for timing. See, fast is here, slow is here, freeze is here, freeze and zoom is here. See, I just get it for 2 seconds. Where do you want to freeze? You have to fit the line. See, you have to choose it. Choose. See, this place I want to freeze. I want to stop it for some time, and afterwards move. So right click. First of all, put the scale there. Put the scale where you want to zoom or freeze. Right click. Go to zoom option. See, you look at here. Go to time and freeze and zoom. Look at there. I want to zoom it for 6 seconds or 4 seconds. Now look at there. The scale, the clip is increased. Now play and see. Now I shall play. Now let us see the difference. See, it comes. what happens? It stops for a while and it goes. This is what we call by freeze and zoom. And since we have applied fade option, so it is not coming. Yeah, I'm doing it here. I'm doing this file. Okay, another logo is here. Look at here. I'm choosing another logo and keep it here. I want to freeze here. I want to freeze here. So it is stop. For example, I right click, animate, entire clip, zoom 75 to 100. Okay. Now, when the picture comes, it stops. Right click, time, freeze and zoom, 4 seconds, just for 4 seconds, right? Look at there. Look at there, it will stop for 4 seconds. Look at there, the video moves and a particular thing, it stops. See, it stops. See, again it moves. See, again it goes back. Okay, dear process. That's what we call by freeze and zoom. Freeze and zoom. It freezes for some time. It will work out well for videos. For example, if you are explaining something, you want to pause for a while for the students, you can freeze and keep it for some time. Keep the video for some time so that the students will be able to understand. That is freeze and zoom. Okay, dear professors. Have you understood freeze and zoom, professors? If you are not able to understand, please drop a video, bring a video, you'll be able to understand, right? Right click and you go for volume. See, you can increase the volume. You can increase the volume. How do I increase the volume? Go to volume, entire clip. See, you can increase the volume here. If you want to increase more than 100, where do I increase? Please understand, dear professors, if you want to increase the volume more than 100, you can very well increase. Look at here, I just click here. Go to view and views, advanced view. Click advanced view. You got option for advanced view. Do you see that? Advanced view. Click advanced view. You have the property here. You have the property. I just go down. I just select it and come down and you can increase the volume. Look at here. The volume can be increased. Since it is not a video file, the music is not there. So no volume will be there. But video file, you have the option to increase the volume here. Enter here and you can increase the volume. Have you got it, professors? If you want to do anything, all these properties will appear here. You can adjust. You can adjust these properties. You will have the effect here. Okay, professors. Right click again. And separate audio. Separate audio means you are getting the audio separately. For example, look at here. I just bring the video here instead of this. I just bring the video to the first track. Okay, professors. This has got some volume. Look at here. See, I can play this and show you this. This has got audio.
Greetings to you all.
Do you get it?
I am B.A. Vimal Jarol.
Do you get it? I want to increase the volume. How do I increase the volume? Right click, go to volume, entire clip. I have fixed it to 100 and it is 100. If I want to fix more than that, what should I do? I come down to this clip. Look at here. The volume is here. I click here and make it 5. Make it 5. Let us see now. Let us just play and see now how it looks.
From Deanery of Academics,
The
Visabha
volume is
College,
increased. Have you understood? The volume has been increased. Do you get it?
giving you a demonstration on screen capturing techniques and
If
tools.
I want to increase little bit, look at here. I kept 5. Now I increased to 6. I just make it 6. Look at here. I just make it 6. Now listen here. Now the volume has been little bit enhanced.
Today's session covers about the basics of screen
Okay,
capturing.
dear professors. So you can adjust the volume here. Okay, professors. Have you understood? Have you understood, dear professors? Adjusting the volume. Now right click and go for separating audio. Separating audio means from a video, the audio clip alone is extracted or taken away. I just click single clip and all the music or audio, whatever it may be, that is taken separately. Look at here. See here. Are you able to get the sound wave? I can keep it separately. See, I can keep it separately in the second track. Have you got it, dear professors? I can keep the sound track. For example, you want to remove the music from the video clip, you can remove. See, if you have got a music, the cinematic music, you can, if you like a guitar piece, you want to take up the guitar piece, you can take up. Right click here, right click, and you get separate audio. If you go for multiple clips, means, for example, if you have added multiple audios, for example, audio will be there, the guitar music will be there, the drums beat will be there. Each one will be given as a separate track.
the voice will be there, the female voice will be there. All the audio can be taken separately. See, this is what we call by multiple clip, which means we can take away all the volume separately. Music of instruments, volume of the voice of the lady, gents, you can take it separately. This is separating the audio. Now, dear professors, we are moving on for the next. See, I want to remove this. For example, I just get this clip. From here, I want to remove 2. So right click it. See, I get slice. See, in the slice option, look at there. Keep both the sides means it cuts it and it keeps both the side, left side and right side. Look at here. See, there is a cut here. Look at your process. There is a cut here. Are you able to see that? And it retains us both left part and the right part. Left part and the right part. Okay. Now there is another option. Look at there. I am right clicking. I'm just making it Control Z. Now right click it and slice option. See, left side alone. I want only the left side. The remaining portion will be deleted. Look at there. I just keep left side alone. Look at there. The left side portion is removed. Okay, professors. I just right click. I just press Control Z. Now I just click the slice and keep right side alone. Only the right side remaining and the left side portion is deleted. Have you understood this process? Have you understood process? Process, have you understood? This is about separate, slice option. And the transform, you are going to make important one, transform. Look at your process. I just click this video clip, disappear video clip on the top and keep this one. Keep this one. Now what happens? It starts from the beginning. Look at here. It starts from the beginning. See here. It comes from the beginning. See, the logo comes. I want the logo to appear only in the corner. How do I make the logo appear in the corner? Right click. Go to layout and keep it in the top right. Look at there. It goes on the right. This video will be there. See, along with this video, it is available on the top. You can also make it little more smaller. Look at here. This clip we made a little more smaller. Go to this clip. Look at your process. Go to this clip. Go to this Bishop Iba College logo. Look at here. I just click the logo. Right click. Transform. Look at here. There is an option transform. Click that transform. Look at your process. This is what we call by picture in picture or video in video. Click here and you can adjust the corner. Look at here. You can transform the corner. Look at there. Look at your process. I keep it in the corner. Okay, process. Now play. Now play. See here. Process. Look at there. It comes in the corner. Okay, it is available in the corner. Are you able to see it? See, it goes in the corner. Have you got it? Look at there. Look at there. The clip goes in the corner. Only in the corner. Have you got it? Once again, let me play for you. See the difference. Now look at there. Look at there. The logo goes to the corner and retains in the corner. So that is what we call by transform. Right click and transform is there. Control R. You can shrink the video and keep it in the corner. Okay, that we can keep it as video in video or picture in picture. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you some important effects that could be added. Let me delete everything process. I go for simple view. Go to view. Views, simple view. Look at here, I get simple view like this. I can click here, see, click here and increase the track. Now I delete everything. I want delete everything. Look at here, I'm deleting everything. Everything is deleted. Now I want to bring the logo again. Look at here, I'm bringing the logo and bring a video. Look at here, I'm bringing a video here. Now how do I apply transition? See, there are 2 clips. How do I apply transition? See, transition is here. Look at here. Transition is here. Click the transition. Number of transitions are available. Look at there. Different styles of transitions are available. So I choose any of these transitions. Look at here. I just choose this transition and keep it here. Or I can keep it between the clip. Look at here. Exactly. Now look at there. I have not given any animation. Look at the change. Look at the change that you get between these 2 clips. Are you able to get? Now the transition is applied. See, from the black. See the floral thing comes and it appears. Good evening, everyone. I am Vimal Zero. The transition size can be adjusted. Professors, have you understood? The transition size can be adjusted. Once again, let me tell you.
I just delete this transition and apply another transition. Look at there. This transition, I'm bringing this transition, I'm playing it here. Now see the difference. See the difference. See the rotation. See.
Good evening, everyone. I am Vimal
Have you
Jaro.
got it, dear professors? Have you understood transition, professors? If you don't like this, right click and delete it. See, right click and remove. Right click and delete. Remove the transition. Okay, if you want to go for some other transition, you go for, see here, this transition. I just apply here and just play this clip. Let us see how the transition goes on. Look at here. See, the transition is applied. Slowly it comes. See the.
Good evening,
Have
everyone.
you got it?
I am Vimal Jaro.
Professors, have you got the transition? Can I have your response? For a long time, I couldn't get your response. Can I have your response? Have you understood, professors? Have you understood transition? Okay, fine. Now I'm going to tell you very important thing. I'm going to apply some effects over the clip. Effects. Now this is the video clip. This is the video clip. Only black and white. Yes, sir. Only black and white transition. Yeah, you are right. Go to transition and the transition only available. Only this is available. Right. See, for example, I just click here. Okay. And you can go for properties and you can apply colors. See, professors, you can go for properties and you can apply colors. Go to properties and you can apply colors. Okay. For example, contrast can be increased. Look at here, contrast can be increased. When you see, brightness can be increased. Adjust all these parameters when you have time. Please adjust all these parameters when you have time. Okay. Right now, I don't have enough time to tell you all these things. Right. Now, what do? I go for effects. See here, effect is here. Effect option is here, dear professors. I take up an effect. Look at here. I just take the wavy effect. Now the clip is good. Are you able to see
Demonstrating you
the clip
on
is good.
creating
Now I want to make it
GIF
wavy.
animation.
Look at here.
What do you mean by GIF
See,
animation?
I just click this, drag it and apply over the clip. Look at here. See, I just apply over the clip. See the clip. Look at that. Look at that. See, it is wavy.
GIF animations
Do you
are
get it?
creating
Do
motion
you
of
get it, professors? Do you get it? When I apply, it is wavy. Now I apply another clip. I see here hue. I just bring apply over this clip. See, now look at the clip.
the still picture.
There is a mild difference, but you are not able to see since the screen is small. Now negative. I click this and drag here. See here. It looks negative. Look at the negative effect. Are you able to see the
on
professors, have you
creating
understood? So
GIF
I want
animation.
all of you to make use of all these effects and see on your own. Right now, I'm going to tell you one important effect called chroma key. Many of you may know applying chroma key is very, very important. Now I go back to this. Look at here. I'm just importing some videos here. I'm importing some videos here with a green man, shot in green man. So I request all of you, dear professors, I want you to have a green man. Green man is very, very simple. It is available in the market. Look at there. Look at there. I shall tell you. See here, professors. Look at here. This is what we call by green man. Have you understood, professors? Look at the screen. Sorry, this is not the one. This is not the one I intended. Green screen for video making. Just enter and you will get. See here. It costs about only 300, 400 rupees or 500 rupees. Look at there. You buy it and keep as a stand. See, it costs about 700, 800 rupees. You keep it at the back. You can very well choose this virtual background. Shoot yourself with ordinary camera. I shall let you know how to just remove the background and put some other background like I am doing. Okay. Now look at there. I'm going to choose a video. One minute, dear professors. Look at here. I'm just choosing some of the video clips. Yeah. See, I've got some video clips. Where do I find my video clips? Go to project file. The video clips are here. Now, what do? I would like to have the picture of today's background. See, I am using this background. So I am getting that background file also. Go to our add video, go to BHC Bishop Weber College folder, and I'm bringing that video of today. So this is the video file of today, the background video. So I get the background video here. Now what do? I just get the background and keep it in the first track. See, I keep it in the first track. I want myself to speak here. How do I speak here? I take up the video shot in green color background. Imagine I have got a background here. I have got a video here. Look at here. These two people are here, but it is not seen. Look at there. See here. I'm sorry. See here, dear professors. See, they are speaking. Now I want to remove this blue color and keep them in the background that I have. Please listen, dear professors. Now where do I go? I go to effect. Look at here. I just click effect and click chroma key. Look at your chroma key. Click that chroma key and bring it to the down. Apply it to this clip. Apply it on the clip. Have you understood? Have you got it, this professor? Just drag it and apply it. Once you apply it, each filter will have a number, will have a character. This chroma key has got C. Look at the C is here. Click that C symbol. Click that C symbol. I have clicked that C symbol, and you get, once again, double click that C symbol. You get the property of this. See, this is the property. Now I double click this key color. Key color is here. Double click it. Double click it, and you have this option palette. Color palette comes. Click pick color screen. Pick color screen. Look at here. Click that and go here to this. Okay. When I click this, 1 minute. Sorry. Look at here, professors. I just click this pick screen and keep it in the green color. Look at here. The green is chosen. I click here, press OK. See, these people are standing in front of Bishop Weber College, that background. Now what do? I increase. See here, I can increase the volume. As long as when I increase the first, see here the character first, 100. I'm giving 100. Now listen what happens. See here. These people are talking in the background. Are you able to see it? Are you able to see it, professor? See, look at the floor. This is what the studio that we have done it, and I'm able to make these people speak over in the thing. Similarly, I want you to try with your own. Once again, let me make it again with another clip. Look at here, professors. I'm making it with another clip. Go to the project file. I'm just taking this file. Look at here, this file. I've taken this file. What is the background right now? What is the background? Any background can be removed, but green is better always. What is the background now? White color. So I'm going to apply effect, chroma key. Look at here. I just click chroma key, apply it over there, and double click it. Double click that C symbol. I'm double clicking it. This comes, and click the key color. Press the double click key color. Double click it, and this palette comes. From here, you click pick screen color. Click here, apply this white color. Press OK. See, the white is chosen here. Press OK. Now look at there. And what should you do? You should increase the first into 100. First 100. Make it 100. See, now it is perfect. Now, as if he's speaking in the background of our. Look at there.
And away you go. But talking head videos
process.
can get boring
See,
after just a few minutes.
There. Have you got it, process? This is how you shoot yourself in the green background and remove yourself and put any your college background or any background that you like very much. For example, if you are talking about something, autumn, you can put up a background of autumn. If you are talking about, if you are giving a demonstration or something, you can keep that at the back. Have you understood chroma key process? Have you understood the chroma key effect process? Process, have you understood? With one more demo, I shall finish it. Look at there. I'm just going to the file and making one more. See here, a small file here. Now I've got this file. Look at their process. A helicopter comes. See, a helicopter comes. Now I want to have the helicopter. Right click, and go over to effects. Drag the chroma key, place it over here. Double click the C symbol. And you get key color. Double click it, and pick screen is here. Click it and click it here. You will get it. Look at here. Press OK. Now it is done, and make it 100. Make it 100. So I made it 100. Press enter. Now just play this file. Let us see. See.
So-
Look at here. Okay, dear professors, have you got it? Have you understood, dear professors? Professors, have you understood this chroma key? And now I have only 5 minutes more. I'll finish off within 5 minutes how to make a video. So far, I have given you what are the options available in OpenShot. Now let me tell you what is the order in which you should go prepare your e-content. Now, first thing is that I told you should have the logo of your college. So bring the logo. Go to the project file and bring the logo. Look at here, I'm bringing the logo and keep it for 5 seconds. I just keep it for 5 seconds. Look at here, I kept it for 5 seconds. Click here and keep it for 5 seconds and animate it. How do you animate it? Right click, animation is here, entire clip, zoom 100 to 150. So I just make it animated, done. Now what do? I have to bring my picture, title of the content, title of the e-content. So where do I bring the title? Go to title here. Go to the title on the top. Go to the title on the top and click the title menu. Look at there, professors. I have gone to the title menu. Once again, let me just make it with the annotator. 1 minute. Go to the title here on the top. Click that and click the title. And you have so many models. Look at your professors, you have so many models. My favorite is this. So I just select this. So any model can be selected and type. See, line 1 is here, text is here. Instead of the title, you just change the title as demo on e-content. That's all. The title is demo on e-content. Okay, this is what my e-content is. So I just press save. Once you save it, it is available in the media library. See, media library are project files. These are all project files. I just click and drag here. Look at here. I click and drag here. I keep it here and take it for only make it for only 5 seconds. So 10th second, it is over. I've done it. Now what do? I have to bring my picture. I have to bring my photograph. I just go to file, take up my picture, my photograph. Now look at there, I can take up my picture, press open, and the photo is here. I'm bringing here. I'm bringing here and reduce it to 5 seconds. See, I can reduce here. I have reduced, cut it at 5. Right now, I want to have the text here at the bottom. How do I bring the text? Go to title, click title, and choose any model which comes at the bottom of the picture. See, here there are a lot of models. You see, this one I choose this one. See, because the title comes at the bottom. And click here and choose. So I've done the title. Okay, title is ready. Now press save. The title will be appearing here. Look at your process. It is in the project media file. I take it here and keep it in the second track. Now, do you understand why the track 2 is available? I want to have that photo on the clip. I want to have the title. Look at that. The title also here. So what do? I can apply animation for all these. See, right click the title of the video content. See, animation. Randomly, I just select any animation. Okay. I've chosen this. Animate. Start of the entire clip. Go to zoom and animate it. Okay, dear professors, I have animated. Now this also I'm just making animating the text also. Entire clip, zoom 75 to 100. I make it 75 to 100. Yes, I've done it. I've done this. Now what do, dear professors? Next one is introduction video. So I have to introduce the content. You appear in the video, apply the green mat and place something. I have done the video already, so I'm bringing that video. Now go to add media, and from the system, one minute process. I'm just taking up the media file. 1 minute. I've just finished completing it. I'm worried about the time it is crossing. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, look at there. The video, introductory video is here. I appear in screen. I introduce myself. I introduce the content and myself. I just place it here. Okay. You can even you can extend the text. You know why I'm extending the text? Because there in the screen also I'm appearing. So I extend the text to till that. And the original content. The original content can be anything. Look at here. I'm just bringing the content that we have done. I just place the content here. See, the original content is applied here. If you want to add music, you can add. Let us check whether the music is there. See here. Short videos and so on. Yeah, the music is not there. So I would like to add music. So I go at the end of the clip and add a clip or thanks for watching. So what do I do? Where do I go? Go to title column and click a nice one that you like very much. For example, I just click here. I just click this one. It comes in the center. Thanks for watching. See, a lot of title models are available. You can choose any of these. For example, let me choose this one. See, I just choose thanks for watching. Okay, I've done it. And the next video, I just click here. Next module on. Next module on tools. See, you can also tell them the next module will be on tools, the next part of the video. So I've done it. Press save. You can also change the background and the color of the text can also be changed, right? I just drag it and place it here in the first track. I've done everything. I don't want to go for transition because I don't like transitions because it is only in black color. So I have to change the color. Right now I don't have time. Now I would like to add music. How do I add music? See, the music is here. Drag it and keep it in the third track. Look at here. I keep it in the third track and check. But the music comes only till here. Now what do? I can take up the clip again, place another one. See here. I keep another music and cut the music here. Cut the music till here. See, you can cut it. You can bring it shorter. Okay, Professor. See, you can bring it shorter. Now I just adjust this and make it shorter. Look at here. I'm making it short. Now I keep the scale here. Exactly. I keep the scale here so that I'll be able to easily identify. Keep the scale here at the end. Look at the scale, the red color one. I just keep it here and accordingly I adjust this music clip. Okay, I've done it. Everything is done. Now everything is done. So what goes in the second track? Second track can be kept free. See, second track I have added, see the title I have added. Look at here. I have added title. So you can add title, you can add music, you can add any of the tracks, no problem. You can add any of the tracks. So what happened? Now I have added, look at your process. I have added, look at your process. I have added the logo of the college. I have added the title of the content. I have added my picture and my designation and so on. Then I appeared in video and introduced the topic and myself. Then I go for the original content. Finally, the end note. Okay, this will be the order of your e-content. How do you export it? See, go to file, look at your process, go to file, and there is an option export here. Look at there. The shortcut key for export is Control E. The shortcut key for export is Control E. Please make note of it, is Control E. Or go to file, press export and press here. Otherwise, you have another option. Look at here, there is a red color button here. You can click that and you can export. Okay, dear professors, after making it. Okay, have you understood, dear professors? When I click here, the file is being exported. Look at here. I can fit the title. Yeah, you can have the preview. Click the preview and you can have the preview. Okay, I've done. And the folder you will have to choose. Look at here. In all the tools, you are specifying the folder. So you should not be doubtful of where the file is stored. Click here and choose the desktop and go to Bishop Eva College folder. Yeah, I'm choosing it here. Select folder. Now come down. Don't change anything here. Don't change anything here. By default, it is HD. If you want to go higher than that, click here. You got lot of profiles are here. Lot of profiles are here. You can choose any of these profiles. For example, I go for HD. I go for HD. HD means full HD. Full HD. The enhanced look and feel. Now I select the quality. By default, it is high. Press export video after selecting these parameters. I'm selecting the name, selecting the folder, and adjusting the quality of the video. And finally, press export. it will take some time. Look at here, it has taken only 0.1. It will take some time because it goes for 3 minutes. It goes for 3 minutes, so it will take some time. So you will have to patiently wait, dear professors. If you have any query, you're welcome to make it. Professors, I want all of you to try with chroma key. Apply in a plain screen. That should be pakka plain. Blue or green is better. Okay, now I want you to have your clarifications, please. Your clarifications, please. Now I'll show you after this video is exported. Until then, I can take up the clarification. Madam, you can give the feedback link, madam, for today's. Sir, show ice cream expert. I have shown, Professor. I have shown it, no? Professor Ranjana, I have shown it, no? Can it be uploaded? Yes. The videos can be uploaded in YouTube. Yes, definitely, sir. Muralidharan, sir, you can upload it. I will show you the video that I have done. Professor Uday, which one you are asking? See, these are all tracks. You can drag it and place it. And finally, you can, now I cannot do it because the rendering is going on. I cannot, if I disturb, this will be aborted. This will be aborted. I will let you know. Shortly, I will let you know. Yeah, profile means the quality of the video, Professor. Quality of the video. Quality. Yeah. Do we have WhatsApp interaction today? Yes. You can ask there. Yeah. What is the size of file? Sir, size of file, it depends on, after conversion only we'll be able to know. Yeah, I will show you. Yeah, I'll show you. It is see here, it's only 19%. It will take some time. Maybe we can take up the query at the end. Yeah, Professor, as for shooting, to avoid, see, you should have light. That's why in shooting cinemas, you have lighting from different places, so that shadows should not be there. See, you should have a light here, you should have a light here. See, in Amazon itself, you can have a set for YouTube shooting. Light settings for YouTube. See, you can have a ring light. That costs about only 1,000 rupees. Ring light. You can keep it in the front face and you can very well shoot it. Okay. You can go for simple gadgets. Just spend about 2,000, 3,000 rupees. You'll be able to make a beautiful studio at home itself. Just with a camera, and with these tools, you can make beautiful e-contents. Okay, Professor Mahamuni. Professor Chroma key, I have done it 3 times. You want me to repeat? Can you once again repeat how you make video background? That's what I showed you. No, I showed you an example. No, see, this video background I have done it in PowerPoint. You bring the video. Look at here. I just go to PowerPoint. Professor, carefully note it. I finish it because organizers are waiting. I go to see. I just go to file. Look at there. I go to an empty file. I just bring a video here. Go to insert. Professor, carefully note it. Go to video. Insert the video. Insert a video that you have downloaded. Say I've got a video here. Now I get a video. This video, for example. 1 minute. See, this is a video clip actually. Okay, this is a video clip. I just select here. This is a video clip. I select here. Okay, I keep it here. Now what do? I just keep this and take up any text I want. For example, I want to have Bishop Iber College logo or something like that. Go and fix any logo. We are running short of time. Fix any logo that you want. See, I just selected the logo, and you want to click the text, and you can appear with the text also. I can keep this logo on the top, and I want to go with the text also. Look at here. I just go to home and insert text also. Look at here. I'm just applying a text. BHC. Bishop Iber College. I want to change the font style. Look at there. 1 minute. See, I've done it. Okay, process. I've got this video. Now what do? I just keep this. I have to convert this as a video. I've done the text. Now go to file. Export. Click export. This will be converted into video. Create video option. I keep it in desktop. Background video, back video. See here. So you download the studio background and keep it and add text and add necessary animation. Please save it. So it takes some time. See here, this is being converted into video. Once it is converted into video, you can see here it is being converted into video. Imagine that I have converted a video. Now I just apply it in Zoom. Look at here, I just go to Zoom option, create the usual option, Zoom virtual background. I just go to virtual background. As usually, you convert that into video, go to virtual background and go to video and upload the video. Your video will be there at the background. That's all. This is the step. Right now, we are running short of time, so I'm not able to just do it. Now look at there. This, I have done it already. Look at your process. I'm changing the name and using. It is there available already. I press here. Now press open. Now look at there, professor. Look at there. Something comes. Look at there. This is something. Yeah. This is some other background. Are you able to see the background of mine? Something else comes. Are you able to get it, professors? Have you got it, dear professors? Ice cream and open shot cannot be done in text process. I'm sorry. Ice cream and this cannot be done over mobile. Sorry. Yeah. Now over to the organizers. If you have any clarification, I shall reply you. The conversion is going on. The conversion is going on. I shall help you with the conversion little later. See here. See, it is only 66% has been completed. Now, dignitaries are waiting for a very long time. Once it is over, I shall show you the file. It is almost about 70%. The conversion is over. Quickly show some light on live streaming. Okay, if you are interested in live streaming, after the valedictory session, I shall show you OBS also. Professor, the dignitaries are waiting for a very long time. The file takes longer time to convert, get imported or exported. I will certainly do OBS live streaming. Many of you are asking. I will definitely give you at the end of the valediction because the dignitaries are waiting for very long. Yep, sir, and others. Thank you. Over to the organizers.
Good evening, dear friends. Success doesn't happen overnight. It is a product of long-term diligence and perseverance. We begin the valediction with this thought. We now reminisce the glories of a prestigious institution as the college song is played.
People bathing shine.
invite Dr. Shanti, Associate Dean of Arts, to read a passage from the Bible.
Scripture reading is taken from Paul's epistle to the Philippians, chapter 4, verses 4 to 9. Chapter 4, verses 4 to 9. Rejoice in the Lord always. I will say it again, rejoice. Let your gentleness be evident to all. The Lord is near. Do not be anxious about anything, but in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, present your requests to God. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and your minds in Christ Jesus. Finally, brothers, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Whatever you have learned or received or heard from me or seen in me, put into practice. And the God of peace will be with you. Here ends the reading. Praise be to God.
Thank you, ma'am. I now invite Dr. Violet Dayaban, Dean of Sciences, to offer the prayer.
Let us pray. Almighty Heavenly Father, we thank Thee and praise Thee for enabling us to conduct this 1-week short-term course on online tools for effective teaching and blended learning by the Deanery of Academics, through which more than 600 participants were benefited. Thank you, Father, for your kindness and mercy, and as well as having enabled our Bishop College and Deanery of Academics to provide an opportunity for all the teaching fraternity to learn and develop their skills. Dear Father, we especially thank the resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerard, who has been very kind enough and gentle to share his expertise and to handle all the doubts and clarification with all his ability at longer time at any point of time, and making this learning process more interesting and effective. Lord, especially we pray for all the participants for their support and active participation, especially for submitting their academic assignments and feedbacks and all necessary documents on time for their evaluation. Thank you, Lord, for making them to invest their energy, time for developing their skills to make themselves effective and equipped for the teaching ministry. Lord, bless the resource person and let him be an instrument to bring transformation in teaching and learning process for all the education system, and let all teaching fraternity and students get benefited out of it. At this juncture, we thank all our organizing committee members who put their hearts and soul to make this event successful, fruitful, and productive for equipping all teaching fraternity to be effective in their teaching career. Father God, let this 1-week program bring great impact in the life of all faculty members, especially participants who join with us. Let us, Lord, inspire the students by their effective teaching and for blended learning. Let them bring glory to thy great name. O Lord, help each and every individual to make use of this technology to the best possible way, and let them extend their service to the needy people. Father God, we submit the valedictory program unto your hands. Once again, we pray for all the participants, resource persons, and all the organizing committee members. Bless them as they have invested their time, energy, hearts, and mind to develop the education system through effective teaching and blended learning through the usage of online tools. Deepen our comprehension, broaden our thinking, help us to bring transformation in our teaching and learning process. We submit this prayer in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. Amen.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. S. Shobana, Dean of Arts, is here to share the welcome note and express her gratitude.
Welcome and good evening, each and every one of the participants, especially. It's because we are sure as organizers that Vimal Jaral want them to be honored first, the participants. It's because it's a workshop, a faculty development program, and a workshop. on how to use the ICT facilities. Most welcome the dignitaries here. Most welcome to this time of celebration of the fulfillment of the purpose of this FDP. Most welcome, Principal Sir. Most welcome, Dr. Violet Dayabaran, Dean of Sciences. Most welcome, the Associate Deans, and welcome to the valediction. The Deans and Associate Deans and Bursar Sir and Vice Principals and other professors of the college and professors who have joined online for this program from various places to this valedictory. Yes, as I just told you, it's time to celebrate and to review sincerely the fulfillment of the purpose for which this FDP was begun and conducted. As we do that, how true is Shakespeare's adage, all's well that ends well. All was well and it ended well. Sometimes it has a different meaning. We judge the process by the ending, we sometimes say, but the process was good too, and the ending was good too. But I'm sure that Dr. Vimal Jaral would want it to be called not an ending but a beginning, because it's just taught the participants how to use them. And so much depends on the users, the teachers, who will use them in their classes and see them come handy for you and see them make you be turned into effective teachers, especially through this online mode, the blended learning teaching that we are soon going to take up. And so the beginning of a new era, the beginning of blended learning, for which Dr. Vimal Jaral set the pathway. And so most wholeheartedly, the team of organizers here and the teachers of Bishop Paper and those who joined online, we thank you, Dr. Vimal Jaral, for the so many qualities that we watched online and watched when you came here in person too. Your perseverance, your patience, your concern. Sometimes we are confused if it's love for the subject or love for the taught, or a love for teaching by itself, that you are able to be so patient and persevering through your very long time lectures, almost for a week now. And we are confirmed that it's three-pronged love. Love for the taught, the teaching itself as a profession, and the subject that you teach. And that's a mark of a teacher, and we acclaim you. We deem it an honor to celebrate your teacher personality this time mostly. That is what all the participants have been telling us through their feedback about the way you went through the whole process of 1 week long FDP. And so thank you so much. And I'm reminded of Tirukural. Of course, there are many non-Tamil participants. Still, I will read it because I cannot but be reminded of it. It's one thing to know a subject, another thing to know the pitfalls in the subject, the drawbacks in the subject, and knowing both and weighing the two with each other. Persevering to master a subject, one becomes an effective teacher. One balances the positives and the negatives of a subject. One balances the known with the unknown of a subject, and perseveres to know more and more. And that makes him an effective teacher. And I am reminded of that when I watched, observed the Vimal Jaral's personality. And so thank you so much, sir. and your personality was infectious, we should say, and more than what you thought. What caught our sight was, or observation was your infectious personality, teacher personality. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with us, a man who is much sought after. I read from his biodata worldwide, and he has addressed so many around 100 workshops, seminars, and FTPs, and he has been a paper presented in more than 100 seminars, and he has published so many papers. Pretty busy man, but doesn't look to be one by the way he shows his commitment when a work is taken up. And thank you so much. We are much obliged to you for the time that you spent with us and your commitment to the work. And thank you so much. This is a time of thanks too. Thank you so much, the participants next, for staying so long. And thank you for your enthusiasm. The subject is such, the teacher is such, the teaching was such that you stayed through long hours. We heard asking the resource person so many questions and doubts, and he had been answering till about 9 p.m. We heard too the chats. And thank you so much for your enthusiasm, kid-like enthusiasm that's going to make you become definitely effective users of these tools in your classes in the days to come. Thank you very much, participants from all over India. Thank you, sir, Principal Sir, for your time and your permission and the facility. And we are sure that the deep-seated passion for teaching in you has always been of advantage to us, permitting us to run as many activities as we may want to from the deanery. And thank you very much, sir, for you. Ready as always to run such FDPs. I thank all the deans and vice principals who had facilitated the beneficence of the Divine Almighty through their prayers at the beginning of each session. Prayers had helped us to go through the sessions with the perseverance that was very much demanded. And I take this opportunity to place on record my gratitude to the concerted orchestration of work that was going on here for over a week now. The organizing committee, they all gelled together. It was an orchestration. They consulted a lot with each other, discussed a lot with each other, but for that, the smooth running would not have happened. And so I thank Dr. Josephine Prabha, the Associate Dean of the Sciences, and Dr. Shanti Clement, the Associate Dean of the Arts. I thank Mr. Anthony, who was at the system all the time, fixing problems. And I thank Mr. David Samuel, who helped us with the arrangements. I very especially thank Dr. James Manoharan, who has been a big knowledge and support as far as computers are concerned. Thank you very much, each and every one of you. But for your communion here, this would not have happened. And welcome everyone to this valedictory as we draw the curtains, but we are not drawing the curtains on the ICT anyway. It's just the beginning. Thank you very much for joining at this time of valediction. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Josephine Prabha, Associate Dean of Sciences, will present a brief report of the week-long short-term course.
A very pleasant evening to all of you. Submitting my humble thanks to Lord Almighty, it's a joyous moment to summarize the proceedings of the one-week national level workshop on ICT tools for interactive teaching and blended learning. The theme of the STC is focused towards ICT tools because if we don't teach the digital natives today's tools, we deprive them of their tomorrow. The short-term course was inaugurated on 12th July 2021 under the presidency of our principal, Dr. D. Paul Dayabrin, who insisted on the importance of ICT tools, though conventional classes are irreplaceable. The opening prayer was led by Dr. V. Violet Diabrid, convener of STC and Dean of Sciences. The resource person for all the 6 days was Dr. A. Vimal Gerald, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, Trichy, who was introduced by Dr. K. Shanti, Associate Dean of Arts. The first 3 days' content focused on interactive teaching and the last 3 days towards e-content development for blended learning. On 12th July, Dr. Vimal Gerald demonstrated Socrative for formative assessment and Slido for online interaction. On the second day, the 13th July 2021, the participants were exposed to gamified quizzing tool Kahoot and explored all the features of Google Jambo. On the 15th July, creating very interesting interactive lessons through Nearpod was explored, incorporating many activities such as quiz, Droid, word cloud, matching pair, hill climbing, etc. In addition, the 14 widgets of classroom screen were demonstrated. Having explored the formative and interactive tools, PPT video making, including animation, narration, audio, and video, was dealt with on 16th July, the 4th day. On the 5th day, 17th July, a tour through the screen capturing tools, namely Screencast-O-Matic, FreeCam, and video creation using Render Forest was made. On the final day today, video editing tools, namely iStream and OpenShot, were explored. The study materials and virtual background were posted every day before the session. Tests were conducted and assignments were assigned every day in Google Classroom. The doubts during self-practice session were clarified through WhatsApp chat every day between 7 to 8 p.m. To spell out the participants, we have around 526 BHC faculty and 208 outside participants from 116 institutes and 11 universities. The participants are from 17 states and 2 union territories, encompassing 60% professors, 16% school teachers, 11% research scholars, and 4% PG students. The rest include administrative officers, soft skill trainers, bank employees, and trainees. And a special note of appreciation to Karthik, who's a research scholar from University of Madras, who's 100% blind and who's attending this course, submitting all the assignments, attending the course through screen reader softwares. Hats off to him, and we request all the participants to give him a thumbs up so that he'll be able to treat it as an appreciation. To say about the short-term course in a nutshell, I would like to pronounce the same words uttered by one of the participants, super, super hit. This hit in one stroke is made possible because of the resourcefulness, dedication, and patience of the resource person, Dr. A. Vimal Gerald. On behalf of the organizing team, we express our heartiest gratitude to you, sir. We thank all the participants and we apologize if we have failed to meet your expectations, if any. Today ends the course, but marks a new beginning for a teaching journey all through with ICT tools. We are sure that all of you will serve as twinkling stars and torch bearers of your institution. As I end the report, once again, with a grateful heart, we wish you the very best for your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Dear participants, we all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. So feel free to share your feedback with us. Each participant can have 1 or 2 minutes to share their feedback.
Participants who wish to give your feedback, kindly raise hands so that we'll be able to unmute you from our end.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure and privilege to introduce myself. This is Vadivel Sampadam from Chennai. First of all, a big round of applause to the coordinating team, Mr. Bieber, who has organized everything professionally, like from the date of initiating this workshop till now, this moment, everything is organized in a splendid manner. So I am on behalf of all the other participants. I just wanted to thank the Bishop Weber team, especially the principal and the dean and the other coordinators as well. And when it comes to the speaker, he has been so very resourceful. And other than that, he has been very patient enough to simultaneously look into the chat, and he has to balance the session also. It's not that easy. It's not like one. So he has to do it continuously for 6 days. That's an amazing job, I would say. And if you see, the participant numbers are high, and again there are so many queries. And right after the sessions also, we have continuous follow-ups with the WhatsApp messages, and another big tough task I could obviously feel from your side is that following up the assignments. So I thought like simply you will skip saying 8, 10 like that, but I could see that people are scrutinizing everything and marking it accordingly. That's really amazing. I could see that a big team is working behind the screen, and they are making it really happening throughout this this STTP. So thank you so very much to the entire team, especially the speaker who has been amazing, and he has done a splendid job, because we are a bit grown adults, so we generally don't have patience to sit and listen to long lectures or things. But when it comes to this session, 6 days, I think there won't be too many absentees, as you could see that. So all of us are present, and we have really practiced simultaneously, and I'm taking really a bunch of tools with me which would really help me to make it very useful in my online sessions. So thank you so much to all of you. Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, all. Myself, J. Jenny Preeti, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai. First of all, I thank Almighty God for this wonderful opportunity. I extend my gratitude to the amazing organizing committee from the prestigious college. I really very much thankful to everyone, each and every one of your college committee, because I really saw very hardworking in behind of this organizing this short-term course. Very much you are organizing this very well and planned very well, and you are walk us around us with us in the week, this past one week. And I really very much grateful to Dr. Vimal Gerald for this wonderful and amazing sessions for past 1 week, sir. Personally, I saw him in a working area because I was an ex-employee in St. Joseph College. Past 2 years I was worked there. So really I saw him, really very humble man he is, and he was very much inspiring person to everyone, and really he is dedicated very well for his what work assigned to his. He was very much worked very well, I saw already. But in this 1 week short-term course, I really amazing that the number of participants were very high. So I really wonder how the organizing committee will organizing this works and assignment works and corrected everything. But they are very well planned, and Vimal sir also worked for us every each and every minute. So I was very much happy, and really we have gained a lot, sir, for past 1 week, because nowadays it's a e-content world, and we are teaching in the online classes. So everybody is looking for a new way. I am really looking for a new way of teaching. I really impressed, and taking you as a role model for how delivering a lecture and how creative we have to deliver to the students and all. And really, you have given the ignition to our interactive research work and also teaching e-content development. It's very much fulfill our expectation, and also it's really a feast to our brain, because I really I expecting a full meals, but I got a biryani. Thank you for this.
Greetings to the principal and the organizing committee of Bishop Heber College. I would like to thank you for selecting the best resource person for us. Also for giving us outsiders an opportunity to attend this workshop. Now, why do I want to give this feedback? I want to give this feedback because being a trainer myself, that is a soft skill trainer and spoken English trainer, I have come across many trainers, but none to match Dr. Bimal Gerard. Now, there are 4 things I want to just bring out. Number 1 is his attitude. He's highly qualified, but yet so humble, so approachable, and you feel at ease. The second point is he's knowledgeable, but yet he comes down to our level of understanding. The third point is his presentation is simple, yet very effective and interactive. And the fourth point is after class interaction, hats off to you. The dedication, that's what is called being passionate about teaching. He was giving us the study material, recording in time so that we could self-study at our pace. Another thing is the after class interaction was prompt and very patiently he was answering us. Last but not the least, my dear fellow participants, thank you very much for being so interactive in participating despite all odds. Thank you.
வணக்கம், நான் பேசலாமா? வணக்கம், I am Dr. Naganathan, Assistant Professor of Tamil, Karaikudi Ramasamy Tamil College. Being a faculty of Tamil, I am from the non-technical background and I have met so many barriers in my teaching through online. Now I believe that the course break all the barriers that I have met in the last days. This training gives me a lot of technical knowledge and confidence. I hope that in future my students will enjoy my classes by using this knowledge and experience gathering from this course. Thank you, Vimal sir. I express my heartfelt thanks to our loving teacher, Dr. Vimal Gerald, who is the right example for a good teacher. And we enjoyed with him throughout the course. He is very energetic, he is very patient, and he is having so many smiles with his pocket. And he is very expertise in his subject how he handle. பாடத்தையும் தாண்டி உங்களை நாங்கள் பின்பற்ற ஆசைப்படுறோம். நல்ல ஒரு அர்ப்பணிப்பு மிக்க ஒரு ஆசிரியராக இருக்கீங்க. ரொம்ப நன்றிங்க சார். நிச்சயம் நாங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவோம். நாங்கள் மட்டும் இல்லை, இந்த கோர்ஸை கண்டு அத்தனை பேருக்கு நீங்க ஒரு என்ன சொல்ற ஒரு ஐகான் ஹீரோ மாதிரி இருக்கீங்க. ரியல் என்ஜாய் ஒரு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் த்ரூ அவுட் த வீக். உங்களோட அர்ப்பணிப்பு பார்க்கும்போது ரொம்ப மன சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. இது வந்து என்னோட இதயத்திலிருந்து வார்த்தையை சொல்றேன், சும்மா உதயத்துல இருந்து சொல்லல, உள்ளத்திலிருந்து சொல்றேன். ரியல் என்ஜாய். And I express my sincere thanks to the Dean of Academics, Trichy. They have conducted this course in a very good, useful and decent manner. The contents of this course are very effective and needful for this critical situation and also in the future. Once again, I express my thanks to everybody giving me chance and nandri.
Shall I speak now, ma'am? Shall I speak now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Good evening, everybody. My name is Udaya Selvi, and I'm coming from Bishop Heber College Student Counseling Department. So I'm a student counselor. For the past 6 days, it was very useful of this webinar. First, I would like to thank my institution, management, and principal for organizing such a webinar on this ICT tools. So each day when we are practicing all these tools, we are just interested to know more about all those things. And I would like to say about the resource person, really he is so much committed, dedicated, and highly patient enough to clarify the doubts during the discussion time. So once again, I would like to thank the organizing team for organizing such a wonderful ICT webinar. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Good evening. Am I audible, ma'am?
Ma'am, you're audible.
Yeah, very good evening. Good evening to everyone. It's my great honor and privilege to thank the institution for this wonderful workshop. In this, I want to thank each and everyone. So I'm very happy for the resource person, Dr. Vimal Zerald. Instead of calling you a teacher, I can call you as a coach. You are an excellent coach for this wonderful applications what we are exposed to in our classrooms every day. Even though I belong to the science department, I used to struggle with this system-oriented thing. But in after attending this wonderful workshop taken and coached by you, really it's amazing. And I don't have the words to express my thanks and also the knowledge gained by me through your wonderful workshop. Really, I appreciate and really I thank you. And also when I saw you at the first day, I can remember our own fellow colleague, Dr. Sobas from the computer science department. Maybe you aware of him, I hope so. So I thought maybe you are a brother to him like that. So you're resembling him. You're very similar to him. He like Dr. Sobas. You're also very humble. Definitely God will give you a wonderful blessing to you for your humbleness. Really amazing, sir. And I'm happy for this. And also another thing I want to tell you in this occasion, in this moment, and also for all the other participants from inside and outside of Tamil Nadu. So this shows our attitude. We don't want to be a selfish, that our principal, our administration don't want to give the knowledge for only this college faculties. They want all of us to know and to get more knowledge in this pandemic situation. Everything is get online. So everyone, every sector should gain some sort of knowledge about this. So in this wonderful juncture, I want to thank the God Almighty as well as our principal, who is the backbone of a college, and also all the faculty members, especially Dr. Josephine ma'am, being a woman, look after the family, kids, work. From the beginning, I was watching when I entered into college. She is randomly walking here and there, wandering here and there, attending the seminar, attending the communion service, so much thing. But still now she's in college to carry over all the program. My hats off to you, ma'am, Dr. Josephine ma'am, the organizing secretary, and all the staff members of our own college. And also I thank all the participants and also our chief guest. Thank you very much. Thank you for the opportunity given. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all.
Ma'am, shall I say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, I am Shikaina Chalam. I teach biotechnology in St. Edmund's College, Shillong, in Northeast India. So when I first started this short-term course, I was one of those people you could say were technologically challenged. I did not have much skills, and I was one of those people who voted as having just basic ideas, even about PowerPoint. So that alone, a lot of these other tools that have been taught to us in the last 6 days. So I would really like to thank the organizers for putting in all of these tools, which are new and definitely something that we need today for our online teaching, because we really have to get our students' attention, students engaged, and get our material and points across. So in these last 6 days, I have learned so much. I have learned so much technology in the last 6 days than I have learned in the last 10 years. All thanks to the organizers. And I have to say, make a special mention of the resource person, Dr. Vimal, who is logged for a good 2.5 hours of teaching us online, and then another hour and a half or so teaching us through WhatsApp group. I also would like to congratulate him for being, the life of this whole thing, because he stayed lively throughout and not giving us a chance to even, just get distracted even for a little bit. I would like to thank the organizers. I really do not know who Ma'am Josephine is, but I see her sending us messages even at, okay ma'am, even at 1 o'clock in the night when I have dreamt probably 10,000 dreams. She's still slogging very hard to get materials and information across to all of us. So I would really like to thank you for that, ma'am. And thank you to all the organizers, because everything was so well orchestrated. Thank you so much. I am truly blessed to have been a part of this workshop. Thank you.
Let's say one more.
So that
This may be the last one.
one more participant can share their feedback.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. This is Mr. Edison from Chennai, St. Bede's Institution, Santom. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers for having organized this online program successfully. It's very difficult to do it for these many people, nearly 600. On the first day, more than 600, and regularly it was 550 plus every day. Congratulations to you, dear staff members. And then I would like to thank the resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerald. Right? Many of them have already shared a lot of his qualities. I would like to add on, especially his patience. See, whenever we teach, if students constantly interrupt us, right, we get irritated. But right from the first day, whenever he is talking out of our curiosity, every day, at least some 50 to 100 people will be asking him questions. He was very happy to respond. Right? He never got irritated. He was very happy to respond. Thank you for that, sir. And then the group of people to which he was teaching, right? So we had students who were born after 2000. We had 90s kids, 80s kids, 70s kids, 60s kids. I do not know whether we had people from 50s, right? And it's very difficult. All of them are not in the same boat in terms of their computer skills, right? So it is very difficult to satisfy everyone, but he was able to do it. So congratulations to you, sir. We are really lucky to have you as a resource person. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for all the participants, and we are thankful for all your compliments. As we are running short of time, as we have already posted you the link for feedback. We request the rest of the participants to make a video clipping and kindly upload in the feedback video form. Now we move on to the photo session. We request you to humbly switch on your videos for a while.
You can also come.
you all. You can switch off your videos. Our exemplary leader and beloved principal, Dr. D. Paul Dayabaran, will address the participants.
Thank you. Esteemed resource person of this 1 week national level short-term course, dear Dr. Vimal Gerald from the Department of Computer Science, St. Joseph's College, dear Dean Academics of our college, Dr. Shobana, Dr. Violet, the vibrant Associate Deans of Academics, Dr. Josephine, Dr. Shanti, dear members of the organizing team, the participants of this useful short-term course, colleagues from our college, dear friends, colleagues from other institutions and other universities, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. It's a great pleasure for me to be with you, meeting you online in the concluding function, in the welcome function of this useful 1 week national level short-term course on ICT tools for interactive teaching and blended learning. First of all, I must appreciate and congratulate the Deanery of Academics of our college, the deans, associate deans, and the members of the organizing committee for thoughtfully organizing this useful course almost for 6 days, a week program, not only for our college faculty members, but also for others. I'm glad that every day, totally almost 600 plus participants participated. From Bishop Heba, 526 colleagues participated. From other institutions, I was told that 208 participants were there, representing 116 institutions spread over 11 universities. And just now we listened to the report by Josephine that participants were from 17 states and 2 union territories. I'm glad that many have been benefited. Dear friends, due to pandemic, we can't stop higher education. Somehow we are forcefully shifted to online teaching. So far, we've been interacting students face-to-face in classroom environment. Of course, we use different kinds of tools. As math teachers they prefer board and chalk. Others may prefer some ICT tools. But in those days, earlier, we used to encourage students to qualify themselves through many online platforms. Now it has become mandatory for even all schools and colleges, universities, to introduce online teaching to reach the students. So at this juncture, I must especially thank Dr. Vimal Gerald. Of course, everybody just listened to the feedback given by the various participants. I'm extremely happy and delighted the resourcefulness of our resource person, Dr. Vimal Gerald. Though he's very young and he has been very much helpful. Of course, he has the basic attributes of a good teacher. Yet, gentlemen, we can learn technology unless we have the adequate attributes of a good teacher. It is difficult to reach out. I'm glad that he has that quality. And of course, he's a professor of computer science. He learned everything. And of course, now he's exposing everything, what all we learned to other friends. I'm sure even the life science faculty, arts faculty, just now we listen to the feedback given by Tamil faculty. Now, irrespective of the discipline, all have been equipped many tools. And I was informed that in the first 3 days, he shared various tools for making interactive teaching under synchronous learning as well as asynchronous teaching. So he equipped all the participants to have a better online teaching for the student friends. The next 3 days, he taught various aspects of e-content development. He taught as many as 10 tools. And given the list actually, Kahoot and Google Jamboard, Nearpod, Scorative, Slido, Classroom Screen, PPT Animation, Screen Cosmetic, FreeCam, Render Forest, Ice Cream, Open Shot, all new terminologies. But these days, within a span of 6 days, was able to interact the features of every tool to the participants. So as I just mentioned, irrespective of the background they have with regard to computers, they have learned. Now, of course, it is for the faculty members to explore more in every tool and creatively, innovatively, they can develop themselves based on the needs, the classroom environment, they can do better and better. Dear friends, it is how we have to mutually grow. But all we know, now it's a wonderful opening now, isn't it? So suppose pandemic doesn't happen. If you do not know this kind of online interaction, then definitely we may not be able to learn this much. I said, okay, it's a challenge given by the Lord to expose the techniques, to expose ourselves with different techniques so that we can reach as many possible. Normally, I used to always say, organizing events like this, normally for conferences, for workshops, especially at international level workshops, faculty spend quite a lot. So I said, okay, of course, the primary job in colleges is to teach students. Sometimes we deviate ourselves, we have to spend lots of time. Now we can simply robe in. I'm glad that faculty members from 17 states, as many as 116 institutions and 11 universities took part. Just now we listen to the feedback given by the madam from Shillong. Of course, GP had opened one alumni chapter in Shillong. I've been there 4 years ago when we were celebrating Golden Jubilee. I'm glad that around India, many have participated. It is how we have to make it. Now, we have done, of course, in future, many colleges will emulate. So therefore, throughout India, of course, and the government of India is taking all efforts, all measurements to improve the quality of higher education in general, isn't it? We've been always feeling that our universities are not coming in the first 200 ranks of the global ranking. I'm sure because of the pandemic, we exposed many things. We exposed the lectures of many academicians around the globe. We can apply ourselves. So therefore, hereafter, this kind of blended learning will exist permanently, isn't it? So we could find time and we can meet students at any time. I'm glad that every day, after 2 hours of teaching by the resource person, he spent more hours after the teaching too. Sometimes even he continued late hours whenever any faculty members, any participants questioning through chat box, he responded positively through WhatsApp and he equipped in different dimensions so that in a short span of 6 days, our colleagues, participants learned quite a lot. I'm sure we're going to commence the next academic year shortly, isn't it? So though we've been threatened that we are going to face third wave, we should be confident, we should look forward to meet the students, at least through online. So this will be there permanently. The past 3 semesters, almost in all colleges around the globe, we conducted not only through online. So we will say we even continue for 1 more semester or even 2 more semesters. Don't be dismayed. Of course, now we equipped ourselves. For teachers in the classroom environment, body language matters. Doesn't matter. Now we have got as many tools. So therefore, using these tools, we can give the real stuff that every subject has, and we can mesmerize students. We can give the actual content to the students in different dimensions. Once again, I appreciate and congratulate the organizing team, the Deanery of Academics of our college, the deans, Dr. Shobana, Dr. Violet, the associate deans, Dr. Shanti, Dr. Josephine, and all the members in the organizing team, Dr. James, Dr. Esther Roslin, Mr. Anthony, Dr. Robinson, Mr. Sam, and all others throughout, So it's a hectic day. And they've been very active. Today we had our retreat since 8:30, but as soon as the final session got over at 4 o'clock, 4:15, they rushed over here and they all took part in the classes today and also in the Vadaktri function. Thank you so much. It is how we have to get connected. Dear friends, to grow, we must be properly connected. I said, okay, that is most important. So we have to connect to the creator properly. And as academicians, we have to be connected. Then definitely we can grow. So India is a developing nation. Unless academicians around the globe are connected like this, it is very difficult for us to excel, to lift the standard of the higher education in our nation. So once again, I appreciate and congratulate each and everyone who is instrumental for this event to happen for the past 1 week in our campus through online. Once again, I thank the resource person, Dr. Vimal Charan, and my team. The other day, he came to our campus to meet us. Thank you so much. I'm sure God will use you mightily in different dimensions in the future too. So many, not only your college students and colleagues, of course, now many have benefited. Of course, people from 116 institutions benefited, as many as 11 universities. I am sure in the future you also bring your talents to outside of the country, and obviously all the academicians, the globe will be benefited, and we can grow mutually to glorify the Almighty God. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you very much, sir, for your words of encouragement. I now invite Dr. Vimal Gerald, a resource person, to share the valedictory note with us.
Thank you very much, madam. Atmayorum De Gloriam, all for the greater glory of God. Respected principal of the institution, Dr. Paul Dayabaran, respected organizing team members, and my dear esteemed participants. I am filled with joy and gratitude at the climax of this STC. You know, the whole world has come into a new normal, not only the education sector, all the fields and all the domains are facing difficulties, and teaching is not exception. Now, we are in a new normal, and as principals have said, we are all good teachers, and we have to face the challenge of shifting our conventional teaching practices into the new dimension. Yes, of course, it is still based. Professors, all of us are good teachers. Teachers can never be replaced with any technology. Conventional teaching also can never be replaced with any tools, ICT tools. But still, we have to respond to the signs of time. The pandemic demands us a lot. The pandemic demands us a lot to equip ourselves with the digital skills or to acquaint ourselves with digital tools. I'm sure this STC would have definitely helped you to would have enlightened you with few tools. There are plenty of tools. We have just explored only few tools. So I humbly appeal all of you, dear professors, the participants, let us continuously equip ourselves. Let us continuously explore new different tools. See, the purpose of giving assignments by the organizers is not to burden you. It is not to get the job done by you out of your busy schedule. No, not at all. The purpose is to make you all to practice whatever that is explored or whatever demonstrated every day. That is the purpose, and I suppose the purpose is achieved. The goal is achieved. The STC's goal is achieved. Many of you have submitted your assignments with your busy schedule. I appreciate. Please continue to practice. Please continue to explore the tools again and again, and explore more and more tools. However, it is feasible for you by attending webinar or watching YouTube videos. There are plenty of YouTube videos, resources are available. Please watch the YouTube videos and learn, equip ourselves, and we have to attract the learners. These days, the learners are very much challenging. To attract them and to engage them is a tough task. If at all, but for we shift or but for we change the methodologies, we will never attract them. So let us, as principals has said, let us mesmerize using all these tools to the students. I appreciate and wish you all, dear professors, all the best for happy learning. In your learning, if there is an interruption, if you find or if you face some difficulties, please let me know. Please drop a message in my WhatsApp. If time whenever I get time, whenever I see the message, I will definitely respond to you. Other than the time that I'm committed myself to the workshops, other than that, I shall definitely respond to you. You can even call me. I can respond to you in the evenings or in the late nights or at nights. At the evenings, I can certainly help you come into the assistance for when you stuck up with a certain point of time of moving ahead with exploring the tools. So I wish you all the happy learning to all the participants. I'm indebted to you for your compliments, greetings, wishes, blessings, dear participants. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. It motivates me to equip myself more and more. I do not know I'm worthy of all your praise. You know, I must thank God because if at all whatever I am, it is because of Him. So I would, I have to humble myself more and more, and I should be worthy of all your appreciations. Thank you, dear professors. I appreciate the institutions, organizing institution. Bishop Heber College would have thought of in a selfish manner to organize program for their own staff members, but they have thought of others. I'm happy and proud that 116 other institutions have benefited and 200 plus participants. And Dr. Josephine has limited the participants from other because we may have issue of managing. But still, one uniqueness is that every day 500 plus participants were there. Even till now, you see 400 plus. That is something amazing. Many of the participants are staying connected, even in spite of the resource, less resources. Maybe internet bandwidth should have gone. Maybe they might have had 3 GB or 4 GB. They might have lost with the bandwidth, but still people are connected. I appreciate all the participants and the dedication of the team, the organizing team. I'm thankful to Dr. Paul Dayabaran, who has permitted the team of organizers to go ahead with the program. Sir, I appreciate your thoughtfulness for organizing this event rightly at the time of need, to reaching out not only to your professors but also to the others. Appreciations and congratulations, sir. And I'm really indebted to all the organizing team. When I stepped into Bishop Heber on the other day, I felt at home. I mean it. I felt at home. The way they treated me and the way the hospitality, it was really amazed me a lot. I'm really very much thankful to you, dear professors, all of you, all those who are in the team, starting from Dr. Violet, Dr. Shobana, Dr. Josephine. I must, specially mention Dr. Josephine because who has been the bridge between myself and to the institution, who introduced me to Bishop Heber College and who has shouldered a lot of responsibilities in organizing this workshop. Thank you so much, madam, for introducing me to Bishop Heber College, and to Dr. Shanti, who was part of the organizing team, and all the other. Of course, we see Professor HOD of BCA, and of course, all the technical persons. I do not know their names, but I know, their faces come into my mind. I remember you all, and I pray for you especially. And I also request you to uphold me with your prayers to move ahead, to reach ahead. Let us continue to reach out to the unreached, particularly the school teachers in the future programs as well. So appreciation to you all, the band of dedicated faculty members of the organizing team from Bishop Heber College. I wonder the professional way that you have done. See the arrangement in the hall and the technical arrangements and accommodating the participants, managing participants in the technically, posting the feedback form and getting their feedback form, assessment. There is a big team who is doing assessment. Appreciation to them. So you have done a great job and you have set a model for other institutions. Whoever has attended this STC, they would have got some idea how to organize an STC, short-term course. Organizing webinar is very simple because we get a speaker, people listen and go, they get certificate. But organizing STC is a tough task and you have made it in a meticulous manner. I appreciate the team. It is from my heart. So you have done it very meticulously and professionally. I appreciate, I request the team to keep on organizing. Again, I emphasize, reach out to the needy. That will be very kind of you for organizing a program for school teachers, as on the other day, Dr. Violet and Dr. Shobana was sharing with me. So once again, hearty congratulations and appreciation to all of you, dear professors. I am indebted to Bishop Heber College and all of you, dear professors. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Let us collaborate, continue to collaborate. Thank you very much. Once again, all glory to God Almighty. Thank you.
We'll definitely hold you in our prayers, sir. And thank you once again for your dedicated, patient, and resourceful teaching. Thank you once again. Now over to Dr. Josephine for certain instructions.
Apologizing for holding you long. We have few announcements from the organizer's desk. Before I move on to the instructions, I just want to thank Esther Roslin, Assistant Professor of English, who was so instrumental in anchoring all the sessions on all the 6 days. Thank you very much, madam. And I really congratulate a team of 10 faculty members who are involved in the evaluation of your assignments. So we purposefully don't want to disclose the names. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank them, appreciate them for the meticulous service they are rendering. So over to the instructions. Today we have 2 Google forms to be filled. Participants kindly note, it is not a single form as usual. The first form is the test form as you normally fill. And now we are posting one form, which is the final feedback form. And we request all the participants to give a prompt entry in this final feedback form, which will be extracted. The data, what you enter here, will be used for the purpose of generating the certificate. So we request you all to enter the credentials very carefully. The assignments for submission as per the request from the participants is extended till 25th July 2021. You can submit your assignments till 11:59 p.m. on 25th July 2021. And it is enough if you submit 4 assignments out of the 6 assigned. So if at all you're submitting all the 6 assignments, the best 4 will be chosen for your evaluation. As requested, as we treasure your feedbacks, if possible, we request you to make a 1-minute video clipping of your feedback and post it in the feedback form. We have a small request from the evaluators. We kindly request you to add your unique ID in front of your name in the private comment as you submit your assignments. We find it difficult to trace your email and then find out your NSTC number. So we request you all to kindly add your NSTC or BSTC number in front of your name when you submit your assignments. And by the end of this month, as 25th is the last date, by the end of this month, you will be posted with the score sheet in the WhatsApp group for your verification. Once you approve it, we go in for the certification. And kindly preserve all your assignments until your scores are verified. And a couple of you have entered with the same NSTC number. So if there is any clarification required, kindly contact us. The final certificate link will be posted only in the WhatsApp group. It will not be sent to your mail. So kindly don't leave the WhatsApp group until you receive all your certificates. Once again, we wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you. The harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. Thank you all for being an awesome